Here you go, baby. Who's ready? Who's ready, baby? Who's ready, baby? Let's go, let's go. Let's go, baby. The show goes on. The show goes on. Welcome, welcome. Good morning, everybody. It is Friday, the final trading day of the week. And just as we went live, we saw a small spike here on this green crayon at 273. Let's go, baby. I'm hyped. I'm hyped today. We're in for another fight. We live to see another day. Here we go. Here we go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Good morning, guys. Morning. Good morning, banana nuts. Yeah, get your suits ready, guys. Get your suits ready. Buckle up today. It's gonna be a very bumpy ride. You beautiful apes. Morning, everybody. Keith, good morning. Welcome back, Chen. How's your morning? Amazing like always. Got the SBUX ticker symbol. That's how you know you're a freak when you don't call it Starbucks. You call it SBUX. Who else got the coffee in hand? Ralph, did you get your suit yesterday? You guys are in for a surprise, eh? Guys, we got 26 minutes left before launch. We're taking off. Guys, pre-market is looking pretty juicy on Gamestop. I'm not gonna lie. Yesterday we were talking about this pattern. I got trolled on saying technicals don't matter. But look at this. We're in this ascending triangle. We need to test the 280s and break above 280, and then we can hit 300. Oh, White Claw Friday, Tequila Friday for Power Hour. Power Hour today's gonna be nuts. We got Tom Brady vibes coming out later, fourth quarter. You already know. I appreciate that. Jay Reyes says, genuine ape. Today you get a subscriber. Guys, can we hit 13K subscribers? We're so close today to 13,000 subscribers, by the way. You guys are killing it. Let's see, what are we at? We're at 12.7, yeah. You were late by 2 minutes. I'll make up the 2 minute being late 2 minutes. You guys will like it. I appreciate that, Daniel. Tom Brady 12 Friday. Yep. Hashtag TB12. Today is the day. Let's go. Guys, there was some shadiness going on with Finto, I believe. People called their brokers on TD Ameritrade Fidelity, and they found out that the fee's actually like 15%, while Finto is showing like 4% now for AMC. Tesla's going down because I believe the freaking Fremont caught on fire. A car caught on fire. Oh my gosh, no. There was some news out that a Tesla actually caught fire today. Tesla is down. You could blame Joe Biden. Why? This is a weird article. Oh, I heard this. Look, electric vehicle company had a fire in its Fremont. Yeah, that's why it dipped. There was also a video on Twitter that I saw that someone replied that their Tesla just caught on fire on the driveway out of nowhere, like at 3 in the morning, just caught on fire. That's a little scary, you know? Just imagine you decide to sleep because you got, I don't know, you got locked out of your house. You're like, I'm gonna just sleep in my Tesla. You just wake up and it's on fire. It's a little scary. So as of right now, the Tesla's looking a little toppy here at the triple sixes. If it comes down, I'll be gladly to catch this here falling. So let's see. I'm gonna set my alert. GameStop always won't catch fire on the moon. Ronald, good morning from Holland. Let's go. Robert says I'm still a little shocked what happened Wednesday. Yeah, guys, they tried to take us down. These hedgies try to take us down Wednesday. We took a beating that day, but we always bounce back. We always bounce back stronger. What jacket are you wearing? Um, Notre Dame. I can't stream all day today. I can't stream all day today. I have a meeting at 9. I have to do some stuff at 9, and then I have to come back power hour for you guys. So that's the streaming schedule. It's 6 a.m. We go live for 3 hours, and then we come back power hour. I don't know what you mean by that. Cost? Okay, let's take a look at cost. Cost is following GameStop. Look, it even had a gap up back to 27. And this was another stock that also got affected along the AMC and GameStop on the way down. So I think it'll mimic GameStop today. It already is pre-market. Uh, do you play video games? Uh, not anymore. Not as much anymore. It's just time's very limited. And when I do have time, I'm really exhausted. I live in South Bend. Go Irish. Yeah. Got it right here, baby. I got the good luck suit. I appreciate that, Tony. Good morning. You are officially part of my trading day. I appreciate that. Welcome. Let's go to the moon today. If we break past 300 today on GameStop, that'll be such a big blessing, guys. We are still in the game. Take a look at this. They try to take us down. We bounce back up stronger. We're at 273 pre-market. Let's go. Mark says everything is blurry. Can you guys see this right? Can you guys see this? Is it blurry? Alrighty, we got 20 minutes. Thoughts on bond rates? What's a 10-year at? Is it still pulling back? This is like 1.53, right? Oh, it's at 1.6. Is that why? Is that futures could be possibly down, right? Futures are red. Not the pump we wanted, actually. Not blurry. All right, perfect. Mark's. Someone said check your blood pressure, Mark. That's what happens when we start leaving the stratosphere, guys. We start seeing things. The only reason I'm wearing this jacket, you guys will find out why. No, Tesla had some news. One of their vehicles caught fire at the Fremont factory here in California. Plug in my charger really quick. Tesla's pulling back, Robert. Here we go. Hmm. It's not charging. So weird. Not better. You smooth-brained apes. Hold on, let me get my laptop really quick so I can charge my phone. Be right back. Did you fix the echo? I don't think I fixed it. I don't think it's working. So we'll see. Yeah, this is what happens with GameStop usually, guys. Let's not get a little too excited. I know I'm excited seeing a gap up pre-market, but what did we mention yesterday pre-market? That usually when GameStop is down pre-market and there's not a lot of volatility, not a lot of momentum, it shoots up. It does the opposite. I noticed that. Notice these patterns. Look, today now that we're up, don't be surprised if this pulls back to like 260s. So that's just my little take on the pre-market action going on right now. Let's Ralph gained 20 pounds yesterday. Guys, we are making history today. Us apes are gonna break the internet. Where's the space helmet? I have to have this headset to talk to you guys, or else you guys don't hear me. Mike from Indiana is back, baby. Welcome back. Good morning. Did the echo work? Was it working? Did the echo work? Echo check, suit check, chirp check. All the systems are ready for launch. Yeah, Maddie, I hate the 10-year rate as well. Seems like the 10 year is not pulling back anytime soon. Market is not caring about the stimmy. Bizzo says I'm liking these pre-market candles. Thoughts, Ralph? Um, yeah, same thing. I like the action, but then again, we've noticed the opposite happen at market open. Yesterday we had the pullback and we shot up. Today we have opposite. We have a push pre-market, and I think we could pull down at market open. So I'm not gonna be surprised. Good morning. Morning, Charlie. Welcome back. Good morning, Criven. Welcome back. Can we get some pump up music? There might be some. I might get like demonetized or flagged for copyright actually. That's what it is. You get a copyright strike on your channel, so I got to be very careful. Someone recommend a song. Actually, no, I don't want to get demonetized. Or I should say copyright strike. Mario, welcome. New sub, welcome. Welcome everybody. Yeah, no music, guys. MJ's right. Yeah, we'll get a copyright strike. 3 strikes and your channel gets taken down. Rocket launch music. I think we could do that. No, I can't sing. I can't sing, Jen. Let the bodies hit the floor. Alright, let's check Fento. I'm kind of disappointed on Fento. If they are playing some shady move on us. Let's see, what is AMC showing? Short interest for Fento as of 5 minutes ago is still back up to 4.1 million with the fee of 3.0. How about GameStop? 100K. I mean, as an hour ago, 400K with the fee of less than 1%. Oh, I heard that song, the Diamond Hand song. Yeah, Finso got paid. I don't know. It's getting kind of sus. Because people actually called the brokers yesterday, Fidelity, Thinkorswim, and they were saying the fee was 15% because they use ETF to short. You're talking about XRT, right? The XRT ETF. Let's check Twitter. What are people saying on Twitter? We got 11 minutes before launch. Um, earthquake of magnitude 5.7 strikes Greece. Crypto exchange Binance investigated by US over who's trading. Hmm. It's almost like they lowered the fees to treasure desperately. Yeah, the fees went down like this. They went down from like 14% to 3%. I said it was kind of weird. But yeah, Finto has been all over the place. I don't know what's going on. What's going on there? Steve Campbell says no notification you went live today. It's okay, I'm here, guys. Yes, YouTube's being shady to us, guys. Apparently, a lot of people don't get notifications or it doesn't show we're live. 10-10 for AMC pre-market, still 272 for GameStop. There he is. There's Kevin. There's Kevin. Good morning. Welcome back. That's the signature right there. Let's go, baby. 273. Let's see. Ameritrade fees higher on 19.5. Yeah. People called their brokers. Fidelity was another one. They were showing screenshots of 15 to 20% fees. Bencel is showing a fee of what, 3.9? 3.7 when it was at 14 on the 9th. Was that Monday? On Tuesday. Tesla's actually dropping today, guys, because one of their Teslers caught on fire in Fremont at the Fremont factory here in Cali. Anybody check Ortex? Yes. Shout out to Robert, by the way. Is Robert here? He let us use his Ortex account so we could have access to that so we won't have to sign up. So shout out to Robert. Thank you, Robert, in the chat. Let's get on Ortex really quick. I'll give you guys that update right now. What is the name of your broker? It's called Thinkorswim or TD Ameritrade. This is a charting software called Thinkorswim. So if you want that video on how to sign up step by step, how to get this look and feel, there's a video in the description below. Yeah, shout out to Robert. Big thank you to Robert. I do not know why futures are bleeding. We need that stimmy pump. The utilization rate on AMC is, drum roll, 93.4%. It was at 100% a couple days ago. On loan, 81.97 million. Let's check GameStop. We got what, 7 minutes left? Good morning, Travis. Good morning. The utilization on GameStop for Ortex is showing less than the AMC at 64% with only 14.38 million on loan. Good morning, Edmund. No fees on trades on. I don't know what you mean by that. You mean Fidelity? Oh, in your base? Do you mean Fidelity or what? Oh, GameStop 274. Like I said, let's not get too excited. Usually we've seen the opposite. On the days where it pulls back pre-market and is not looking too solid, it shoots up. And on days where we have gap ups and we move up pre-market, it shoots down. So let's see if that's true today. Don't want to get too excited, but we got 6 minutes left. Why are we lagging? I appreciate that. Yeah, right. The grind still continues. So all we ask for here is smash on that like button, baby. We got 6 minutes left before takeoff. Good morning. Let's get this. Morning, Alex. Good morning. How are you, Professor? I'm doing good. And yourself? I'm telling you, it's these blue light glasses. Alrighty, alrighty. Here we go. 5 minutes. Can we trust Fintel or not? I don't know. It's a very hard decision. The day it pulled back, the day it got halted in January and it dropped, it recovered and then it gapped up the next day. That's what happened. Maddie says, I call TD. They have zero shares to borrow, but the rate is 3.5. Someone earlier said TD is a rate is like 19. So I don't know. These numbers are all over the place. Should I dump Sands? I don't know. I can't answer that for you, man. I don't know what your initial trading plan or strategy was on Sands, so I can't answer that. Let's get them tendies. Yep. We want our money. We want these tendies. These hedgies. Not... You guys smell that? I smell fear. Melvin Capital pretty much owns it, owns Fintel. Whole lot of deception going on. Yeah, these numbers are even the short interest is like everywhere. I don't know. You truly don't know any numbers, what to trust. I don't think anybody actually knows the legit real numbers. Unless, of course, you're a hedgy. Ragnar, good morning. We're up to a backflip once we're on the moon, baby. Alrighty. We got 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Buckle up, baby. Buckle up. Hang on tight. It's going to be a bumpy ride. It is Friday, the last day before, of course, we head into the weekend. Monday, we should see a push in the overall market on Monday. Who here is going to get some stimmy and just put it in the market? It doesn't have to be GameStop or AMC. It could be Tesla, which is pulling back pre-market. It could be any other stock. Freaky Friday is coming. CEO of AMC, what did he say? He said that theaters in LA aren't gonna open no later than next week Friday. So you know what? You know where you're catch me. You're gonna catch me at the movies. AMC's popping pre-market. Let's go. Clench those cheeks, Cramer. It's gonna be a crazy one. All right, so let's see if it's true. If history does repeat itself, GameStop should pull back at market open. Dude, stop joking. You know it's gonna be for GameStop or AMC and need some steamy diamonds. Alrighty, here we go. We got 1 minute, baby. Here we go. Get ready. Do a stream from the theater. That would be epic. We got 1 minute. And AMC is pushing. Yes, come on. You're doing the opposite. This would actually pull back to 950s. Now we're pretty much flat. We're pretty much back there. Let's go. Who's the 200th like? AJ Smiley, let's go. Countdown. We got 54 seconds. Here we go. It's gonna be a bumpy one, but let's go. Let's get ready. Let's go. Here we go. Get your spacesuits ready, baby. 43 seconds. There's that pullback coming. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go, 7 seconds. Let's go. Market open. Let's go, baby. Let's go. All right. We should be expecting a pullback. History, are you going to repeat yourself? AMC is pulling back. Buckle up. It's going to be a bumpy one. Let's take off this music before we get we get copyright strike. All right, there's that pullback. Not surprised. History repeats itself. Not surprised. Buckle up. Let's go, baby. Where are my day traders at? Come on. These day traders must buy this dip here. 269. Let's not see a gap close. That's one thing I'd hate to see on here. Keep the music. That adds more stress and more emotion. AMC pulling back. Don't close that gap on me. All right, there we go. Bouncing already. I love to see that. I love to see that. One thing we hate to see is these ladder pullbacks under the E-man Gamestop. Look at that volatility on this candle at 273. Push, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's hit 300. Let's hit 300 today. Let's go into the weekend at 300. Have these hedgies clenching their cheeks. 277. Here we go. Here we go, baby. This is exactly what I'm talking about. We're going to the moon. Come on. Don't pull back yet. Don't pull back yet. Where's the next resistance level? There's that resistance line at 280 again. We're at 280. This is such a crucial level for GameStop. Is that pump on GameStop currently at 278 going to help AMC? Don't take profits on me. Don't take profits on me. Get ready for turbulence. Yeah, it's going to be a bumpy ride. 282, baby. Yes. Alrighty, we're moving. 285. Let's go. We're breaking out past that triangle. We're breaking out past that triangle. The moon is after 300. There's that push coming on AMC. Let's go. Don't pull back on me. Usually these aggressive green candles are followed by a massive aggressive red candle. So let's see. There's that pullback. This reminds me of yesterday. I don't have a tinfoil hat. I don't have any foil either. Ah, 280s. We're bouncing pretty strong. You think we will drop to 200 today? No, I don't think so. I think we have some pretty strong support right around the 260s, 250s. All right, let's see where this bounces off of. I'm loving this candle so far. Good morning, Dante. Good morning. AMC's coming back above EMA, 1013. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that candle at 1018. There's a lot of demand, guys, for AMC on these dips. I'm not gonna lie. GameStop, these candles look pretty bullish, but we're still waiting for a stronger push back above 285. So let's see. It's looking pretty strong. There we go. There we go. This candle does not want to close green. The drop at the open used up the bad energy, nothing left but up now. So one of the keys yesterday was obviously holding support levels and forming higher lows. So now that we peaked above 280s, it's pulling back now to EMA. But if we go on the 5 minute, we still have that uptrend here. So if we can hold above 270s for that higher support level, that'll be looking good for us headed into the power hour. So we still got a long trading day ahead. So buckle up. 280 still. AMC still fighting here at EMA. 278. So they did the opposite basically. While GameStop is pushing up above and pulling back to test EMA, AMC pulled back and now it's pushing up above to test EMA. So they're both meeting at the EMA. Very interesting pattern. So let's see if they switch here. So GameStop is cracking down under. AMC's actually also following. Alrighty. So now for GameStop, we're expecting that bounce. So where's that first sign of support on that green candle? So far, we got 4 red candles on GameStop. And AMC is still kind of trying to find some support here as well at 10. Let's hold above 10 for AMC. Still pulling back. How's the 5 minute? Oh, the 5 minute EMA is at 273 right now. We're testing that. So let's not even come down under that. It's still slightly trying to sell off under the EMA. But as you can see, it's still bouncing, trying to close above 274. All right, give it time, give it time, give it time. Still pulling back 270s. All right, we're back at this pre-market level. Let's see. EMA support is strong on GameStop. Not yet, not yet. It's still too early to call an EMA support. This is what I'm afraid of. This happens every morning. For the most part, it does this. It'll pop up right now to like 277 watch. It'll shoot up, test EMA, or even slightly come up stronger to like 278, and then it'll get rejected and it'll come down. So same thing with AMC, back to 1010. So we need a pretty strong bounce here on GameStop. We still have yet to test some support at the EMA, but we're back at the pre-market levels at 270. So far, so good. Yeah, Nasdaq, the market I think is not looking too strong in general. Yeah, guys, Nasdaq's pulling back. Tesla's probably sinking new lows, triple sixes. That's not good. So this also might not be the best situation for GameStop and AMC as well. AMC is holding a little stronger here at 1010. I'm kind of actually loving the support and strength here on AMC more than GameStop. This candle here at 271 is not looking too strong here. Let's see that bounce. If we can hold this pre-market level, I'm completely happy. Just don't sink under the 250s today. 10, 11 on AMC, that's what I'm talking about. So we didn't even see that bounce, guys, yet on GameStop. The bounce it's not there yet. Let's see, show me that bounce. Show us 275. Show us 276. Come on. AMC shooting up 1016. We're back at that same level here, pre-market. Is Ralph muted? No, I don't think so, right? 1019. Let's go, AMC. Let's go. GameStop follow along. Show us the 276. Show us a reversal. Yeah, last time the market went down, GameStop was literally trading by itself, unbothered, and just kept on going up. Dakota, not yet, not yet. 1018, 1019. We're back. Pre-market, we're back, AMC. If we're above 200, I'll be happy. Are you talking about the price 200 or the SMA 200? Because the 200 SMA is at 269. Yeah, happy Friday, everybody. This is what I was talking about right here. EMA rejection. Don't double bottom here at 267. Don't double bottom. Don't double bottom. It's trying to catch itself. Do you see charts in your sleep? Sometimes I do. Sometimes I do, man. Oh yeah, we had the Roaring Kitty tweet yesterday twice. He tweeted twice, so let's see what he tweets today. What kind of signals does he give us? All right, GameStop did not double bottom. I'm so happy. I'm so glad AMC is still pushing this level here, pre-market. It's basing its support. I'm really happy if it does hold. AMC's pushing 1024. For AMC, guys, I would love to see like the 1050s again. Let's test that resistance right around 1050. We also had resistance at 1030s. So every 5 cents or so, we have some resistance. We have a slight wall. Brendan says big wall, 1025 for AMC. Yeah, every 5 cents or so, there might be a slight wall. Deep F and Valley has not tweeted. Tesla's pushing. There's 1031. Is Tesla pushing? Oh, Tesla. That does not give me a chance to buy you. It doesn't give me a chance to buy. This is what I'm talking about. Let's go. GameStop push. Do not get rejected at EMA, baby. Let's see 300. Let's see 300. AMC is flying. 1035. Next level of resistance. Big level of resistance. It's going to be at 1050. I'm not liking this candle here on GameStop. That just went green. Why is it going red? Who's selling? I'm not liking this candle. This candle has to close above the blue line. Come on. Why is it like asleep? It's asleep on me. AMC is stealing the show today. 1040s. Again, 1050s is the next level. Alrighty, slowly but surely, we're closing above that blue line. EMA, show me them higher lows, baby. Did the suit come with the helmet? No. I could have, but I'm trying to talk to you guys. I appreciate that, Jeff. I love your live show every morning. No BS. You stay on the screens consistently and stay focused. Absolutely. Thank you so much, Jeff. Welcome to the community. Welcome to the family. We are live here every single day, Monday through Friday, market open and power hour. If you are new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button, drop a like. We are so close to 13K subs. We have a potential PS5 giveaway coming soon, so stay tuned for that. 270s pulling back still on GameStop. Not convinced, man. This candle here did not convince me pulling back. The key, once again, every time we push above and pull back is higher lows, or if anything, to hold this pre-market level here at 270s. AMC is still looking pretty strong. The strength is still here at 1038. Let's see 1050 on AMC, baby. Keep talking to AMC. It's listening. These market makers are watching us, guys. One of these market makers is watching this stream. It's probably Jim Cramer. I appreciate that, Banana Nuts. I appreciate that, Bill. Stand up. I'll show you a quick one. Take a look at this. Isn't this so dope? Look at that. Space shuttle aboard. And got the left one. Space Hero. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna slap some AMC and GameStop stickers on this bad boy. John says if I ever miss Ralph's streams, call the police because Melvin got me. All right, so GameStop is listening to us. Higher lows here at 273. Hold that pre-market level before we see maybe what I can see. I could envision it with my smooth brain, a potential cup and handle back to 280. Let's set our alert. We vision it here. We manifest it. Let's go. Yeah, I need an 8 patch. And I need the back to say Cramer, literally, in big letters, Cramer. Why is GameStop asleep? I'd rather have it sleep here and hold support, not gonna lie. I don't like when GameStop pulls aggressively at market open. So I love this. I can see the cup and handle forming. Let's see 280. Let's see it shoot up to 280 AMC. I'll take that healthy pullback. I'll take that healthy pullback. Find some support here at 1030s, which was that resistance yesterday, headed into the market close. We struggled to break past 1030. There it is, GameStop. You envision it in your smooth brain before you actually see it in person. There's that spike here. Forming once again that cup and handle, baby. These candle crayons do not lie. Let us see 280. Come on. You're there. You're there. 279. This is exactly what I'm talking about. Market makers, I love you. Whoever's watching this, you guys are making this happen. This happen. 278.90s. One more dollar. One more dollar. 279. Show us 280. Come on. Come on. Yes. Yes. 280. Let's go, baby. Wait. What? SEC news? This actually legit hit 280. I'm telling you. It's like someone's watching this stream. And it literally got rejected at 280. This happened yesterday when we were hoping for it to shoot to 270. It shot to 270 and it got rejected. Same thing happened here, except it's at 280. Yeah, it's insane. Like literally, it's insane what's going on right now. Like someone's playing with us. If I say, I don't want to say, I don't want to say it for it to drop. But let's wait and see. I love this here on AMC. The strength is there on AMC. We have yet to come down under the EMA. So yes, 2 days ago, GameStop went like 40 minutes without pulling back under EMA. AMC went up at 637. So it's been 8 minutes since we pulled back under. Yes, it's a short amount of time, but the strength is there. Let's see 1050. Yeah, if market makers are watching this, show me 300. Show us 300. The fact that we are not wearing spacesuits breaks my heart. And Ralph versus Cramer. There's 801 patches online now. We need an 8 patch. Wear that out to the bar. All the girls love it. That's something I'd be willing to do. I wear this out in public, man. I'm a happy ape. CNBC is covering bonds. What's the 10-year at, guys? Overall market colors, the market watch, the heat map. I don't think this is updated just yet. It's not updated. I don't think so. All right, guys. GameStop is looking pretty strong here at 278. Let's see. Are we going to hold above 275? It's still looking a little toppy here at 278. Not convinced yet. Not convinced that we can break 280. Come on. That's what I'm talking about. This is the volatility on these candles I want. Break above. Yes! Convince me, baby. Cup and handle is forming. Again, you see it in your smooth brain. You envision it. You manifest it before it happens. There's William. Good morning. Let's get this money. It should be called the stock whisperer. The 10 years at 1.6. Damn it. Zoom out and check the setting triangle. Look at this beautiful, beautiful pattern. It reminds me exactly of what we were at last week, a couple weeks ago. Look at this. A setting triangle here at the bottom left. Now we're breaking past that here. 281. We're cup and handling. Let's go. Bobby Banks, I'm new to the channel. Just subscribe. I love it. Let's go, baby. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the community. Ralph, you're a psychic. I appreciate that. In a good way, right? In a good way. You're wearing a spaceship suit? Yeah, I told you guys, if GameStop hits 280, we're gonna buy a spacesuit. I'm a man of my word. Pulling back. Damn it, GameStop. Let's take a look at the 5-minute. Well, we still got some cushion here at 274, so let's be patient. Let's see how strong that bounces here. I'm sorry if I mispronounced your name. Vinny, right? You won the giveaway, right? You won the Twitter AMC gift card giveaway. Thank you for the donation once again. You guys don't have to donate, but we're truly grateful for your support to the community. Thank you so much. Let's get bullish. Yeah, absolutely. Ralph is actually a market maker. Maybe you don't know. You never know, man. Maybe I could be a market maker. Yeah, these day traders literally took some profits here. It just immediately came down to 275. They did not let GameStop breathe and shoot up. Market seems shaky today. Yeah, I don't know how futures are still holding above. We're not moderating them, but it's bouncing. It's bouncing. Not the strength we expected on Friday, but the stimmy hits on Monday or over the weekend, but the power should be seen on Monday. Who here is buying GameStop, AMC, any other stocks? It could be Tesla. You don't know. Who's buying stocks on Monday? You're so calm even when you're excited. A really soothing voice. I appreciate that, Cassandra. My wife said if AMC hits 12, she's gonna let her boyfriend Ralph eat another onion. No more onions, guys. That was such a bad experience with the onion. I know you guys like the onion. The likes should definitely be above 700. Yeah, we're kind of lacking on the likes. It's finding some resistance. The likes has resistance at 300 likes. There's no strength. Let's hit 420 on the likes. Whole clove of garlic. Yeah, I'll do the garlic once GameStop hits 400. SEC said they're monitoring volatility on meme stocks. I mean, the SEC is going to be at the next hearing, I'm pretty sure, on the 17th. That's the next crazy event we got going on right before GameStop earnings on the 25th. This is exactly what I'm talking about. The strength on AMC is still there. We have yet to pull back under EMA. Look how strong these bounces on EMA are on AMC. There might be a wall here at 1050. Watch the ask on the bottom right. I'm sorry the activate windows covers that. But you guys don't want me to activate windows. Yeah, when you guys leave a like on the video, it tells YouTube that, hey, ape like video, YouTube recommend more video to ape. So it blows up the stream. Simple algorithm. Yeah, the likes are rocketing it up. Reminds me of the GameStop price earlier this week. It went the guys GameStop was up 40% that day. The strength on GameStop before it got manipulated was insane. It's going on AMC right now. The strength of AMC right now reminds me of what happened on GameStop on Wednesday. No, people have sent me licenses for the activate windows, but it never works. None of them work. I do not know why. How can three people dislike this? Easy. Citadel, Melvin, and Cramer. I'm not convinced, guys, yet on GameStop. Like I said, we're still at that 270 range. Way better to be here at 270s than we've seen in the past where it sinks pre-market or at market open, I should say. So I'm very happy. I'm very blessed for GameStop to still be at 277. Keep this in mind, guys. GameStop is at 277. It literally fell at like 38 bucks not so long ago. We're truly blessed. AMC is struggling here at 1050. Like I said, watch that next level of resistance being at 1050. But the strength, I'm convinced the strength is here. I'm remaining positive. I think we could still see a push above 1050 on AMC. Market makers just listen to us. 1055. Let's go! Every 5 cents or so, there might be a wall. So watch 1055. We're moving. We're moving. Daily check-in. Welcome, Sebas. How do you like the suit? How do you like the suit? Yeah, Sebas, hit me up. Let's hit an AMC. They open next Friday. Let's hit up an AMC. That's where I'll be next weekend. AMC, baby. All the sellers sold 12 bucks. Not sure what you mean by that, Daniel. And is it true? I heard a rumor that if you don't activate Windows within a year, your computer just locks. Is that true or are people trolling? Rob cracks me up. Looks like he has PJs. It's a onesie, guys. I'm gonna go out in public with this. I'm gonna go to. All right. Would you guys watch it? I'll make a video. I'm gonna go to AMC with this. I'm gonna walk into an AMC and watch a movie with this suit. Did the helmet come with this suit? No. I'm gonna walk into an AMC and just chill, watch a video, get some popcorn, and just watch. Yeah, I'm getting trolled, right? That's not true, right? Okay. Yeah, guys, Microsoft got hacked yesterday. They were hacking emails. Did that affect the stonk? MSFT. It gapped. It gapped down. I'm not too sure if this is due to the that news of the email hacking. I don't know. You guys want? Go to Home Depot and I'll blend in. Yes! AMC 1065, 1070. We are moving. Let's go back to $11 today, baby. Let's go back. Let's go back. We're having several cup and handles here forming. Very surprising on AMC. I love this. I love this. GameStop, on the other hand, is still there at 276. You look like a character from Naruto. Please wear the spacesuit into GameStop and buy something. Look at this. Isn't this just beautiful, guys? The strength is there. We have yet to come down under EMA on AMC, and it is still pushing 1076. Show us 11. We're not that far away. GameStop, slowly but surely, GameStop's creeping there. It's creeping. I'd be more convinced if we shoot up to 280 right now. Let's send an alert. 280. Show us 280. Damn you, market makers. 1080 on AMC. Wow. We are literally mooning. We're mooning. We're moving. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, market makers. Give us 280 on GameStop. All right, we're slowly taking off here at 1081 on AMC. Can we see $11 echo pump for the win? Come on. The strength is there. We're a little bit above EMA, but I think we can see 11, 1089. Come on, every 5 cents. Remember, there might be resistance. Let's get that echo pump going. Let's go. Let's go. Here we go. 1093. Let us see 11. Let us see 11. We're not that far away. There might be a wall at 95. Look at that ask. Peep that ask at 95. Let's go. No. Come on. Let's get 11s in the chat. Let's manifest this. Come on. It might be a long shot here. It's looking a little top. Look at the 5 minute where it's going parabolic. It might be a super long shot to hit 11, but I believe. I believe. Come on, I believe. I believe. Oh, it's getting rejected at 95. GameStop is pulling back. I appreciate that, Dakota. You are truly the greatest live streamer out there. I appreciate that. Come on, guys. Let's manifest this bad boy. Let's see 11. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. 1098. Come on. Yes, 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 yes. Believe, believe, believe. It happens in your smooth brain before it happens in person. Let's go. A new high is not a meme. A new high is not a meme. Let's go, baby. There it is. Exactly what I'm talking about. Let's go. The strength is there. Let's go, baby. We're mooning. We're going to the moon. 1184. Get your spaces on. Buckle up. It's a bumpy road. Echo pump for the win. Let's go. Guys, we're going parabolic. We're mooning. We're going to the moon. Next level of resistance is 1150. Oh my gosh, we're moving quick. 11, it almost 1130. 11, it almost 1130. You guys are insane. No. GameStop's teasing us. It pulls back to 273, but look how fast it bounces back to 278. We're still in the game. AMC, I expect the pullback to come really aggressively to like 1070. Don't be surprised. This is exactly what happened last time AMC actually shot up like this. It pulled back aggressively, but so far we have that strength here. GameStop's waking up, guys. Don't miss GameStop. It's slowly waking up here at 279. What happened with GME? It's still there, guys. GameStop is still here. Look, it's teasing us. There's that pullback. There's that pullback. Now that we had this parabolic push on AMC to like 1130s, GameStop's a sleeping beast, man. Reminds me of a slingshot. Oh, there's that pullback literally to 1074. Not surprised. Not surprised. Yeah, it's pulling back. Healthy pullback, guys. If it is still strong, remember this blue line. Let's not come under the blue line, aka blue line 13 EMA, exponential moving average. If you're interested in setting up the same platform, same charting, same look and feel. There's a first link. There's a video in the first link down below. I explain it step by step. Hold your hand on how to create this same look and feel, because I know when you start Think or Swim and you just sign up, it looks gray and looks boring. Day traders taking profit. Yeah, a lot of people are going to take profits here on AMC 1130, so not surprised. GameStop, guys, I'm telling you, I have a feeling this is teasing us right here at 278. It's a little iffy though. Bullpenning on GameStop. I would be more convinced to see a push above 280. The resistance, we were fighting 280s yesterday, so we're still there. Oh, we're almost at 420 likes. You guys are insane. Can we hit 420? 420 likes? You guys are enjoying this. I'd appreciate that. If you drop a like. We're coming to rescue you. I promise you. You guys came back for me on Tesla. You guys rescued me on Tesla. I was stuck. You apes came back for me. GameStop super nice consolidation. It's okay. Only a matter of time before it blasts off. I agree. Consolidation is beautiful on AMC, guys. I mean on GameStop. We literally got attacked on Wednesday. And we're back at 280. Let's go! Let's go, baby. Let's manifest this. Let's manifest this like we did on AMC. Let's go. Let's go. It's like listening to a soccer game. Thank you from Portugal. I appreciate that, Vasco. Order you a helmet. Should be there next week. Stop it. I need to talk to you guys. I need to keep my headset with the helmet. I can't do that. My head's already big enough. Greetings from Croatia. Wow, I appreciate that. Ismar, welcome. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the community. Use AirPods? I do have AirPods, but they broke. Alrighty, look, AMC guys, we're talking about this blue line. It's still holding there above 1080. Beautiful, beautiful. This is where things start to get a little volatile on GameStop. It's struggling to hold above 280s. I'm surprised. Greetings from Cucamonga, Rancho Cucamonga. Wow, you guys are locals here. You guys are close. It's the weekend in Holland. All right, there it is again. Slight, hey, guys. These three candles here are fighting to close above 281. Is this the third time? Third time's a charm, they say, right? Stroke that candle. Come on. Let us see 285. It's Friday. Come on. Push. 285. There we go, baby. Push, push, push. There we go. There we go. 285. You're right there. It touched 285. Why is it not pushing still? Damn it, day traders. Yes. It hit 285 again. Yes, baby. Let's go. Go. A new high is not a meme. A new high is not a meme at this point. We got the whole world in here. Oh, there's a couple people from Rancho Cucamonga. Wow. 285 is not a meme. A new high is not a meme. What's the next resistance on GameStop? The first level of resistance was obviously here at 280s. I'd say that the next level obviously is 300, guys. 300. Once we break past this 285, 287, I think we can easily see 300. But we're struggling here. How do you break your AirPods? I use them to the gym. I guess sweat got in them, and the left one stopped working. There's a lot of new people here, guys. Who here is new? Just found the stream today. Found the community, the banana knot community. From New Hampshire, welcome. From Sweden, welcome everybody. We are worldwide. Long Beach. All right, there's that again. Pullback. AMC is looking a little toppy here, guys. I'm not gonna lie at the EMA. Are we gonna cross down under EMA or are we going to remain strong and hold? Let's see. Mr. Worldwide. Apes Worldwide, man. Look at this. This is beautiful. Philadelphia, East LA, New Jersey, Michigan, Denmark, Detroit. All right, we're testing, guys. It's still holding there, I believe. I believe GameStop as well pulled back to EMA 280. We're bouncing here at 282. Let's keep that upward momentum. Irvine, wow, you guys are there's a lot of local people here. Chicago from Mars. I'm from Mars. And I'm Morning Marcos. Welcome, South Florida, 283 still. AMC guys, I'm telling you that strength is still here. Let's hold above 286. Hit the likes from my Ralphie boy. That's all we ask for, guys. No donations, just drop a like. Guys, this GameStop's not it's not convincing me. It's like every single spike we have, it's immediately getting sold off. But you have to zoom out, look at the bigger picture. We still have the ascending triangle uptrend. We're still doing good. We're still doing good. Let's find some higher support here at 280s. Smooth Brain Ape, what is EMA? EMA is an exponential moving average. It just tracks the average closing price depending on whatever setting you have it. Another popular one is the 9 EMA. I use the 13 EMA. Yeah, when in doubt, zoom out. Absolutely. Guy Angelo says GME will close between 278 and 295. Yeah, if we hold above 270, guys, today, it reminds me of literally what happened last week. We were slowly creeping day by day, inch by inch, close by close. We were slowly going up. So this is exactly what's happening right now. I'm gonna go ahead and plug in our free Discord, by the way. You guys can find us in there after hours too, as well as on the weekends. Plug in the free Discord. All right, we're bouncing on GameStop 281. AMC is back at 11. Guys, it's still holding EMA. This is such a huge win for AMC today. We need to close above 12 to end contract. Oh yeah, weeklies expired today. Contract expired today. Weeklies. Ah, Fontana. Wow, you guys are really close. Who would have known? Forget the gift cards towards our onion giveaway. You guys don't want any onions. 281 still. Patience. You guys see this here? You guys see what I'm seeing? An uptrend. An uptrend. Do we care about Fintel? Yeah, Fintel's been a little weird. We had people verifying by their brokers, such as Fidelity, that the bar rate was like 15%, if I'm not mistaken. We signed up for Fintel just to check the data, but first of all, they take forever to update us. Thank you for the dono, Vinny. I appreciate that. Thank you for supporting the community, but you guys don't have to donate. You guys don't. All we ask for is you destroy the like button. Take a look at this 4.1 million short shares available with the fee of 3.70, which is it's ridiculously low. It was at 14% on the 9th, which is Tuesday. And there's no update yet. Yeah, see, Tom says Quest Trade is showing 15%. I don't know if to trust Finto or not. They themselves say this, guys. It does not include data from other brokers or dark pools. It is a small sample and it is useful for tracking the rise and fall in demand for shares throughout the days and weeks. It should not be treated as an absolute number of shares that are available to short in the market. Small sample. Manipulation. Guys, here's the thing with GameStop. Here's my little plan. Fintel is Melvin. You just never know, guys. You guys saw the video we put out yesterday. Richard Greenfield, I believe is his name. This bogus analyst who literally put a price target of 1 penny on AMC. The AMC is worth 1 penny. What do you guys think? Trey posted a video saying that Fintel already lied. Yeah, it's looking a little sus for Fintel, guys. I don't know. These numbers change too rapidly, and I don't believe it. My gut is telling me no. It's a good chance that the numbers are manipulated. You know what else is being manipulated? FINRA. FINRA with the short interest report. I do not believe any of that at all. Yeah, all right. So that guy must have like Greenfield must be he's either got paid to say that or he's literally down a ton of money on AMC. That's my thoughts. Desperate times, guys, lead to desperate thoughts, actions, sayings. I don't know. Yeah, guys, look, AMC is still there. It creeped under on this candle here under the blue line EMA, but it is still above EMA. EMA is at 1089. Stock is trading here at 1091. GameStop is very volatile. Look at these pullbacks here at 278. It immediately shoots back up to 281. Seems like people are buying the dip. The bar rate on AMC is BS and I borrowed this. Yeah, Rebecca, I borrowed this has the same numbers that's Fintel. I believe they just copy Fintel, honestly. There's no difference in the numbers, by the way, on Fintel and iBardisk. Oh, guys, we pulled back on AMC. Wall Street Junkie says nice pullback to take a breath on and build some support on AMC. Yeah, 5 minute EMA, it's at 10:54. So let's see if we bounce off of that 5 minute EMA. Patiently just waiting. Patience, patience. All right, let's check Twitter. Twitter, what are we saying? Any news on the market? Oh, there's AMC news. AMC news according to the Bloomberg terminal. AMC Entertainment, as of March 5th, which I believe was last Friday, operating 527 of 589 US theaters with limited seating capacities. Let's go, baby. Oh, William says I was expected on AMC. Yeah, it was a little overextended here, guys, at 11:30. It went full parabolic. Of course, I am still happy, but then again, you got to be realistic. It's going to pull back aggressively. We're still here bouncing off the EMA at 1050s. There's still a long trading day. iDemon says here comes the ladder attacks. No, I don't think necessarily this is a ladder attack. This is just a healthy pullback on AMC. Very healthy pullback on AMC. So be very patient. The ladder attacks do come in later on midday, in like 2 hours or so, maybe 3 hours. So GameStop is still here at 282, still holding above that previous resistance at 280, still forming that beautiful uptrend. Um, all right, here comes a bounce. You guys are funny. Yeah, here comes a bounce on AMC. 1076. I appreciate that, Marcos. Nice spacesuit. You could grab yourself one as well on Amazon. All right, 283. Guys, the hope is not lost on GameStop today. Look at this sexy uptrend. That's what I'm talking about. Is this spacesuit comfy? It's very thin. I would say it's comfy. It gives me some good vibes though. 400K, 40K buy order. Yeah, guys, you guys noticed the buy orders that come in on AMC after hours? We've usually been seeing a pattern. There's like some crazy ridiculous block orders that come in after hours. I'm talking like 390,000 shares. Wait, um, AMC Entertainment comments inform 10K filing. Did AMC just file its 10K or what? Its annual report. 10K is the annual report, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Someone verify that. My smooth brain is not working this morning. 10K is the annual report, right? There's a lot of them. There's like 8K, 10K. Demons, thank you for the dono. I appreciate you supporting the channel, the community. All this money, by the way, for donated to this channel, guys, is given back to you guys via gift cards. For those of you that are new, we do a daily gift card giveaway. We've given a lot of gift cards away. Our favorite stonks. We got a couple GameStonk gift cards. Got a couple AMC stonk gift cards. So stay tuned for Power Hour. It's gonna be pretty lit. So far, so good on AMC. Still creeping above EMA. So he says, get yourself a helmet for the ape suit. Please do a backflip. You guys want me to do a backflip? 10 is annual. Yeah, right. Yeah, right. 10K is annual. Yeah, it was just a report from the earnings. So guys, it's still here. AMC is not letting go. I love this. I love this strength here. GameStop, on the other hand, It's a slow stepper, guys. It's a very slow stepper, but we're slowly moving. Like I said, I feel like GameStop is a slingshot ready to rip. So let's set our alert just in case. Yeah, 10K always comes out after the Q4 earnings report to close out the year. Yep, Stu Lebu, thank you for confirming that. I appreciate you. 1030, 283 again on GameStop. Look how volatile it gets once it touches 283. I don't see a wall there on the ask. Not too sure why it hasn't just shot up. Hmm. Ralph, are you seriously not keeping any of the donations? No, it's going back to you guys. Donations are going back to you guys. No more onions, guys. That onion at $300, it wasn't the best. How's Tesla? Tesla is free falling. Shall we catch this bad boy on the dip? GameStop. GameStop is still there, man. Eve, welcome. Hello to all the bulls. Welcome back. Iced coffee this morning. It's a cold brew. Just how I like it, all black. Bone Collector 305 says AMC interest is 15%, which is 1% more that Fintel had it at 14. According to Questrade and according to TD Ameritrade, it's 19%. Here's the thing, someone else said they called TD Ameritrade and it was at 5%. So I don't know what to believe, guys. I'm gonna have to call them myself. Um, I was watching Uncle Bruce, guys taking like $500 per hour on donations. That's what I'm talking about, GameStop. The slingshot is here, 284. We're slowly breaking above. Let me just see a massive fat green candle, like to 288. A new high is not a meme at this point. Don't sell off. Don't pull back, baby. Just rip up. Rip up. Raymond, you're funny. Yeah, I'm watching the level too. I don't. GameStop, every single spike we have, look at this. It comes right back down to test that support. But once again, the slingshot is still present. Guys, I'm so thrilled on AMC. It's back above 11. That strength is not, it's not going anywhere, baby. I'm not leaving. Come on. 1117 is the next target here. Let's set our little alert. GameStop is still there. A new high is not a meme. 286.94 was that previous high. We're only $2 away. A new high is not a meme, baby. Come on. A new high is not a meme. We're close. We're close. We're close. A new high is not a meme. A new high is not a meme. 288. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Here we go. We're coming at 300. We're coming for you, 300. We're coming back for them apes stuck at 300. Let's go. We're coming back. Buckle up. It's a bumpy ride. Got the spacesuit ready. I'm going to the moon. Someone have the volume for AMC, by the way? Let me see that number. Let me see that number. Excite me, baby. Oh, the 10-year keeps on rising. Tesla's dipping. Oh, NQ's probably sinking. Yeah, NQ sinking. I want to catch Tesla. Yes. New highs, new highs, new highs, new highs. Go, baby. You got no resistance. Just shoot up. Just shoot up. Just show us 300. Um, 35 million already? I love you guys too. 35 million. It's pulling back now. AMC, don't shy away from me. I'll let you form your higher lows, but don't do this to us. There's the uptrend there on AMC. Tom Brady extending his contract. That's a sign. You know what that means for Power Hour, right? TB12, fourth quarter during Power Hour. Can we see 300? It's a long day. Buckle up. Somebody expect 800. Guys, did you guys see yesterday's video? There was a ton of contracts with the strike price of 800 for GameStop. That's insane. People are so scared of GameStop, it immediately sells off. Yeah, that's what I was talking about earlier. Every single spike we have, it's like it immediately pulls back. A couple of days ago, every spike we had immediately just rocketed up. It'll pull back a couple dollars and then it'll just keep on going. And then that's when the market manipulation came in. They do not like to see GameStop up 40% and the boomer stocks like Coca-Cola not doing anything. Shout out to Warren Buffett. I love you, but we're in control now, baby. We are in control now. Yeah, I can't blame them day traders. I'm a day trader on Tesla. What studies do you use? EMA and SMA. I'm a simple guy. I keep it simple. I don't like getting confused. I think the more studies you have, the more confusion there is. But to each their own. Double down on what's working. What's working for you might not necessarily work for somebody else. So just use. If you have RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands, go ahead and use it. If it's working, double down, baby. Double down on what's working. Spy's pulling back. Yeah, Spy literally almost hit. I think it hit new highs. So a well-deserved pullback on Spy. Kathy Wood ARC purchased 228,000 shares of LC. What's LC? Lending Club? I don't know. 228,000 shares. Wow. Who's investing in Tesla when this is all over? I day trade Tesla. I love day trading Tesla. I think the swings are insane. They're beautiful. It's still pulling back. Kind of want to catch a dip, but let's wait. Greetings from Germany. Welcome, Nicholas. He says holding AMC and GME. This is the way. 286 on GameStop. I love that bounce there. Well deserved. Well deserved. Let's keep on pushing. Bounce stronger. Let's bounce back to 288. Yeah, Scorpy. Tesla is slightly still dipping. Wow. Should we buy this now? Oh, damn, I missed it. Let's wait. One more pullback on Tesla. Guys, the reason Tesla's pulling back is because one of their fires caught on fire. One of their cars caught on fire at the Fremont factory here in Cali. And also, I saw somebody reply to Elon on Twitter that their Tesla just caught on fire in the middle of the night, out of nowhere, like at 2 in the morning. It just caught on fire. What do you use for your charts? This is called Think or Swim. Oh, Mrs. Scorpio bought Tesla. You bought Tesla on that dip. I'm waiting on Tesla. I'm waiting on Tesla. Something I'm also waiting on is this new high here because why? A new high is not a meme. This reminds me literally of what happened on Wednesday. We just kept on pushing up. History does repeat itself. A new high is not a meme, baby. A new high is not a meme. Go. Stroke the candle. Stroke the candle. Come on. Let me see the times in sales. Times in sales, baby. Come on. Don't sell off on me. Every time we spike and try to hit new highs, it sells off. Stroke that candle. Yes. Yes, a new high is not a meme. Let's go, baby. We're coming back for you apes at 300. We have not forgotten about you. No ape left behind. Let's go. 300. You're right there, 300. William says my computer just crashed. I think Cramer is trying to take us out. Yeah, Cramer's just a little sneaky guy, eh? One of the Giga Press caught on fire. See, the media said a car caught on fire. Can't trust the media, man. They got me on that one if that's true. Come on. We're coming back for you, apes. We have not forgotten about you. We have not forgotten about you. AMC is still sleeping slightly here at 1093. GameStop, the new high again. Is that new high a meme? Is that new high a meme? 291.50. Come on. Oh, it's so close. These day traders are taking profits. Nope, it's not a meme, guys. You guys know the answer. Let's go. We're going to 300, guys. Hydraulic failure. Oh, he tweeted? He tweeted? Did he tweet? He tweeted. Oh my God. He tweeted. You guys know where this is from? I know exactly where this is from. You know where? Interstellar. I know, man. Yes! New high. This is from Interstellar. Did somebody reply that? A black hole. What does this mean? We're going to the moon. I'm actually, yeah, look, it is from Interstellar. Yes! I actually know this one. That's one of my favorite movies, guys, Interstellar. 294. We're literally gonna gravitate to 300. AMC back at 11. That black hole is, by the way, the name was Gargantula. That's the black hole in that movie. Favorite movie. Yeah, Interstellar's God tier. It made me feel so small and like I don't know. It made me feel some type of way. I love it. You guys need to watch that, of course, at AMC. 295, 300 is a magnet, baby. We're going to 300. 300 is the magnet. Moon for us. Moon for us. We got the spacesuit for good luck. Buckle up. It's a bumpy ride. Yeah, it's a long movie, yeah, but it's amazing. Watch that movie, guys. I highly recommend it. Of course, my top favorite movies are Wolf of Wall Street, Interstellar. Uh, Second favorite movie is Inception. Yeah, watch that movie. AMC back at 11. So if history repeats itself, we should see another pullback to like 290, 288. These day traders, man. The Big Short, also a very good movie. All right, we're patiently waiting. Is it gonna pull back on us, find some higher support, or are we literally gonna moon like we did on Wednesday? Wednesday, guys, we did this. We pulled back here and it just bounced off of it. We just kept on going before we got manipulated. Get the garlic ready. It's at 400. Whatever you do, do not eat another onion. Yeah, first initial time we hit 300 on Wednesday, you guys, we had an onion and it was not good. It's still there. GameStop is still at 294, baby. We are in the game. We're not going anywhere. Tesla had a pretty strong bounce. Still waiting. Interstellar is the top 5 movie ever. Trapper says, absolutely. Look at costs. Cost is probably going up. Someone brought it up and I said it's gonna follow GameStop. Yep. No surprise in that. 295. Let's go 300. The gravity. Gravitate towards 300. When they make the movie about GameStop, Ralph eating an onion will be in it. That'll be, I don't know what I'd say if that happens. That would never happen. Guys, check this out. You know what did happen? Um, New York Times, LA Times linked our stream on their articles, and they asked for like an interview on AMC. Let me find that email. Check this out. He says, "Hey Ralph, I cover the movie business for the LA Times. I saw your live streams of the AMC earnings call on YouTube, which we did on Wednesday, which was really interesting. Would love to talk with would love to talk with you about why you love the company and the stock if you're interested in speaking. Thank you." Let me see if I can find it. This is our chance. Let's see, check this out, guys. Check this out. Look, AMC LA Times. You go on this article and look what they put. Social media users tweeted gleefully during the session with the fireworks emojis and the AMC symbol detonating its stock ticker. And some day traders live streamed the event on YouTube. You click this. Hey, look, it's us. That's insane. Guys, we're going worldwide, guys. LA Times is not a meme. It's a trap. Cramer's setting us up, guys. So if I go MIA and I don't stream for like a whole week, you guys know what happened. All right, GameStop is still hanging in there. Hope is not lost at 293. Let's go, baby. All I gotta say is I like the stock. That's it. I like the stock. If I do it, I'm literally gonna wear this. I don't care. I'm gonna wear this or I don't go under. Oh, it's pulling back. All right, well deserved. Well deserved for GameStop. We're still in the game. This push here is gonna give a lot of people hope. At 295, we're pulling back. EMA's at 283. Let's hold that uptrend, baby. 295 was not a meme. We hit 295, guys. Apes worldwide. Um, don't do it. They will twist your words. Yeah, that's all I gotta say. I like the stock. Interview finished. And I'm gonna have like some crazy price target. I'm gonna be like, AMC's going to 500. It is not a meme. 'Alrighty, as we pulled back both on AMC and GameStop, it's followed by a lovely green candle that still is following that uptrend. So we're still looking good, apes. We're still looking good. $10.80. I don't see the bids on their WP. Don't do it. They will ruin you and they're manipulative. You think so, guys? You guys think they will ruin us? Kind of scary, huh? Can't trust them. All right, there we go. Second green candle for AMC and GameStop. GameStop at 290, AMC at 1090. Let's go back above 11 on AMC. Still looking pretty strong here at the support on GameStop. Let's retest 300. Let's go to 300. They won't broadcast any. Damn, they won't broadcast anything you want to say? Of course they won't, because they know what I'd say. They know exactly what I'd say. 289. All right, GameStop is pulling back, guys. We're experiencing that pullback on the 5 minute. The EMA is at 283. We have that cushion to pull back to still continue that uptrend. So let's see where we hold ourselves. Let's see where we catch that bounce at. Look at the triangle on AMC. Love it. Yeah, this triangle here is still in play. Do an interview with somebody dressed in the gorilla suit. Finto is showing 6.5 million now for AMC. All right, let's see. Let's experience this together. Last update was at 4.1 million. Let's refresh. What? This does not make sense. What? Do a backflip. I'll see you during Power Hour, Ragnar. I'll see you. Yeah, it's 6.5 million. Are you kidding me? I'm about to cancel my subscription on Fintel. Screw that. There's no way. Good morning, Gilbert. All right, we're still there. 289 on GameStop. Someone bought 40,000 shares of AMC at 1080. Guys, yesterday those huge block orders of 300,000 shares came in at 1028. That's why you guys were showing screenshots on Webull. I seen them on Webull of it spiking to 1028. It was at 1028 when they came in. Uh, yeah, it's showing 6 million on Fintel. It doesn't make sense. Giveaways today? Yes, absolutely. Every single day giveaways. We usually do them, well, we started doing them on Twitter, but a lot of people don't have Twitter, so why not here on YouTube? So all you gotta do to enter is just comment and like on the previous video, just so I could enter that link into the generator and it just generates a random comment. So that happens Power Hour. Power Hour streams are really fun, guys. They get really lit. So, and it's usually the best time of day, the most volatile. So right now we're headed into some support territory. We usually trade flat. Of course, GameStop did not trade flat on Wednesday. It just kept going up. Absolutely insane. But for now, we're still holding this trend line here on both AMC and GameStop. Testing some support. Give it some time. Patience, patience, patience. Yeah, the report numbers are very different from other brokers like Fidelity and TD Ameritrade. Look at this. We're still holding that uptrend. I got tons of patience. Yeah, we're still waiting. GameStop is still back in the game here at 290s. It does not, it refuses to come down under 286, back at 290. Let's see another push up. Let's have a small cup and handle. Let's break above this price level. I'll be right back, guys. Quick restroom break. That, ladies and gentlemen, is called a chair pump. Believe in the chair. The chair is alive. Clap for the chair. Yeah, 11:13. I love that. Warren Kitty just tweeted again? Oh, he tweeted earlier. No, he hasn't tweeted. He tweeted Gargantula from Interstellar. All right, GameStop, we're still in there, baby. At this time of day, I'm surprised we're moving. I'm getting those Wednesday vibes again. Guys, if you guys are enjoying the stream, make sure to slap a like. Let's break YouTube. Let's break YouTube today. 10 chair pumps out of 10. Let's break YouTube. Tesla's dropping. Yeah, the bathroom pump too. Tesla's not dropping. GameStop, it's right there. It says game. I could hear GameStop talking to me. These candles are telling me it's not a meme. A new high is not a meme. You guys hear that? Jen says 295 is not a meme. Absolutely, I agree. Let's go. My alert just went off here at 293. Let's push. Let's push. Let's see 1120 on AMC. Darth Vader, I made you look. I hate you. Yeah, I literally thought it was dropping. Are your palms sweaty? No, it's really cold in space, so my palms are not sweating today. Usually during power hours where things start to get a little hot, man. Power hour gets a little hot. The spacesuit is making me cold. Oh, it struggles, man. GameStop struggles slightly every time we break past that alert. That little breakout, it struggles slightly. I appreciate that, Yostra. Roman, right? I'm sorry if I mispronounced that. The chair is alive. Yeah, the chair breathes. I have water here. No, Jeff, the spacesuit did not come with the helmet. You got a spacesuit now? There goes AMC. Break above 1120. Yes, 1123. We're going. We're moving. We're moving. Oh my gosh. Yes! 1150s, we're coming. Come on, GameStop. A new high is not a meme. Can we get a new high is not a meme in the chat for GameStop? Let's hype up GameStop. Let's get a new high is not a meme in the chat. Come on, baby. 300 is not a meme. Let's go. Let's go. Let's manifest this. Let's manifest it. Oh my gosh, AMC is running. AMC is running. 1150s new high. GameStop, don't pull back on us. Come on, GameStop. You got the whole world watching. GameStop won't stop. Come on. AMC 1140. It's not a meme. GameStop is loading. AMC is listening to us, guys. 1140. The next level of resistance is 1150s. Oh my God. It's playing with us, guys. GameStop is playing with us. AMC has no walls. The next one would be 1150. I'm pretty sure people are taking some profits at 1150. Yeah, GameStop won't stop. Oh, don't do this to us. This was such a beautiful cup and handle here forming. I would hate to see this come down to 280s again. Don't waste this precious pattern, GameStop. Water chug at 300. Oh, why is it pulling back? Who's selling? I'm telling you guys, we cannot push. Why does every time we push, we sell off? I don't get it. We're still trading here. We're still holding that trend line. Let the beast roar, man. Let the beast roar. Um, yeah, the volume on AMC is pretty insane. Someone have the update on that? Let's try to go above 100 milli. No, GameStop. Oh, it was so close. This is sad. What's going on right now? Why is it pulling back? All right, EMA's at 285. I just don't like this failed breakout. AMC gonna test EMA here. Let's see where GameStop catches itself. $46 million. AMC news on Wall Street Journal. What's the news on AMC? Let's see. Let's check Twitter. Guys, that update on Finto, I'm still tripping. Oh, it went down 100K. Not drastically, but as of 6 minutes ago, there's a new update. 6.4 million. It's the EMA exponential moving average, the 13 EMA. But it's not the DEMA. It's the EMA. I have a video linked in the description. It shows you exactly how. Oh yeah, I forgot. Let's see if we have any free stonks on Webull. Webull. If you guys tuned in, you guys know we are the largest shareholder now on Webull on WPF. WPF stonk. Webull just keeps on giving us that. Let's see if we have any free stonks. If you do use the link below, we both get free stonks. So let's see. Oh, we have one chance. All right. We got one chance on Webull. As you can see here, for some reason, Webull loves giving us WPF. It made us the largest shareholder in WPF. I'm about to become the CEO. All right, if I get another WPF, I'm moving to Robinhood. Bruh. Ah. Can we get an L in the chat? Yeah, WPF is going to go to the moon, watch. WPF is going to make us multimillionaires. Watch it just go to 300. It's a sign. It's a sign. Trust the process. We're pulling back here on GameStop, guys, slightly here at 286. Give it some patience. We're headed into that choppy time of the day. So let's see. Craig. Robert says, so sad to hear that since you are a man of your word. No, Robinhood actually gave me better stonks, but we're not going back. WPF company dress code is spacesuits. That's a dress code. But look at the stonk. This is a stonk they're giving us. Stonk that has been barcoding, not trading at all, obliterated on the 1 hour, pulling back. No sign of a reversal just yet. But if this stock goes to 1,000, I'll be happy. Alrighty, guys. So pretty much waiting. We're patiently just waiting. WPF does not move at all. It just barcodes. There's no action going on there. Let's try to hold above 11 on AMC here. Let's hold above 11 headed into power hour. As for GameStop, let's try to hold 280. Let's try to hold this level into power hour. I heard about that. Michael Burry deleted all his tweets. Kind of sus, eh? What is your SMA set at? 200, yes. SMA set at 200. There's a video, guys, in the description below. Walk you through it. Hold your hand step by step on how to set up and get the same look and feel as you see here on the stream. Philadelphia, no, we're going to end the stream in 1 hour, and then we'll come back power hour. Webull's going to cause WPF to squeeze. Some people have been getting AMC shares on Webull, by the way. So it's a sign, man. Watch. Knowing my luck, WPF could run up. Watch. Power hour today. Yeah, power hour is very tricky on Fridays, guys. Keep in mind, we have the weeklies expiring today, the weekly contracts, and then we have people also don't want to hold over the weekend. That's usually a pattern as well in the market. People don't want to hold over the weekend. People want to sleep. So they sell. There's GameStop back at 288. Let's see that reversal, baby. What time is power hour? Power hour is the last hour of the trading day, 12 to 1 p.m. here, 3 to 4 p.m. Eastern. And the stimmy, yeah, Monday. Monday should be ridiculous. Who here, as I've asked this before, but we got a lot of new people coming in, is going to use some of that money and for the market. It doesn't have to be GameStop or AMC. It could be Tesla. I don't know. Streaky, people do that. People sell, take profits over the weekend. You'd be surprised. 10 years still going up. How's NQ? Probably not doing well, right? Yeah. Tesla still pulling back? No, Tesla's still hanging in there at 670s. Let's go for 690 likes. Yeah, can we hit 700 likes on the stream if you guys are enjoying it? That's all we ask for. We truly appreciate that. Or 669 likes. That'll be perfect. Yeah, in relation to the Roaring Kitty tweet, Interstellar, used to call Gargantula to slingshot. You're right. You're right. That's what we were talking about earlier on GameStop. It's like a slingshot just pulling back. You're right. They were talking about that in the movie. There's a scene where they're like, we could warp around the. I don't know what they mentioned it, but they were talking about warping around and using that as momentum to slingshot into the the black hole, which again, Roaring Kitty tweeted a picture of known as Gargantula in the movie. One of my favorite movies. Go ahead and watch that, guys. Go ahead and watch that movie. But yes, thank you for bringing that up. They did mention a slingshot. And we are talking about GameStop earlier looking like a slingshot, just ready to shoot back up above 300. As of now, we are pulling back to 283, but no biggie. We're headed to this odd territory midday, odd lunchtime. So let's wait. Let's wait. Pinto rate went down again. Let's see. Let's see this together. Last update was 14 minutes ago with 6.4 million short shares available. The feed just went down again. It's like they're doing this right in front of us. This is not making sense to me at all, guys. One hour near that black hole was like 7 years on Earth. Yeah, that's how it felt on Wednesday. That's a good point, a good perspective. The next congressional hearing is on March 17th, which is on Wednesday, on a Wednesday. And I believe, if I'm not mistaken, the SEC is going to be there. AMC back 1118. We're still hanging in there. GameStop, try to hang in there as well. 280. Let's hold above 280. 1125. I think we're gonna hit new highs. I'm loving this strength here on AMC. I'm not loving the action going on here on GameStop. Look at this. We're cracking 280s. Oh my gosh, why is it selling off like this? Why is it selling off like this? It needs to catch itself. So this happened yesterday, but on the opposite. We didn't have this bullish uptrend. We had a pullback in the morning, and then we had that recovery headed into midday power hour. So right now we did the opposite. We pushed up in the morning, and now we're pulling back. Deep effing value is in GameStop, not in AMC. Who knows? Maybe he might have some AMC he's not talking about. I don't know. They don't want to reaching 300. Keep in mind, the first time in January when it pulled back and it got halted like 4 or 5 times on the way down from 320s to like 118, I believe was the low that day, in which immediately it got halted on the bounce on the way up like twice before it went back to 300. It's almost the same price that happened Wednesday, right around 300. It fell at the same price. That's my little tinfoil hat right there. My tinfoil thought of the day. Same price, guys. I don't like these pullbacks here. Ever since Wednesday, I'm like scarred. I'm paranoid. I'm paranoid for every aggressive red candle. I don't trust them. Please don't go red on the day. Still got some cushion up 6%. Pornoy sold again? Let's check his Twitter. Did he sell? This is what I don't like on these pullbacks, man. They get aggressive. Let's see, Portnoy. Mr. Davy. I don't think he sold, did he? The thing we're now hoping on GameStop and looking forward to is a massive bounce. Let's bounce back to 280s. Right around this price level here. 282. Um, yeah, he said he was gonna. I saw his Twitter. He said he was gonna play GameStop. There's that bounce, 281. Let's push the EMA. 282 is what I'm talking about. Let's push the 282 on this bounce. Huge volume for AMC. Let's check. I'm gonna plug in the Discord for you guys. See what Discord. Guys, we also might be doing. We might also bring some of you guys on here. So I have my Discord pulled up right now. Uh, we might be bringing some of you guys also on this stream. Let's see. So there's a voice channel we have in Discord where I can actually talk to you guys. Like actually get some feedback from you guys. So I sent the link in there. I still need to learn how to set that up though. Okay, cool. All right, there's 282. There's our bounce here on GameStop, guys. There is our bounce there. Uh, I don't think he sold. I don't think Deep Effin Valley sold a Roaring Kitty. All right, AMC is still looking juicy, guys. It's still like again, it's a slow stepper. There's GameStop pushing above the EMA. This is what I'm talking about. This is the reversal we want. If we're going to be experiencing these massive and aggressive pullbacks on GameStop like we did here from 288 to 273, let's follow it through with an amazing strong bounce. Why do people think he sold? I think people expect these pullbacks to be him selling. I don't know. Just what I think. But one thing you also have to keep in mind that we saw yesterday was this rejection at EMA. So let's hold 280s. Slowly step up. Attack was eating up yesterday. That's why we're flying today. No, I don't think he sold. I don't think he wouldn't be tweeting if he would have sold. Yeah, he's gonna sell without a tweet. Short interest rate from AC is TD is 19.5. Wait, short interest, right? Not the fee? Robson, is that what you mean? Yeah, I don't think he will sell. On Team Ameritrade, the fee is that the fee, right? Not the short interest, because there's two different things. Those are like two completely different things. 19.5%. Because FINRA reported a short interest on GameStop of 50%. What's the real interest fee? No one knows. No one really truly knows the real interest fee. It's all over the place. Georgie says 2.62%. Yeah, that's what Finto is showing us as of 14 minutes ago, 2.62%. There's Gamestop back at 281. Testing that resistance there at the EMA. Let's get signs of a reversal going. Let's get that confirmation. Let's push it like 284. Come on. Didn't he just get his license suspended, Michael? All right, there's that push. 282. Let's push to 284. Let's get some signs of a reversal coming. Let's get that confirmation. There we go. There we go. Market makers, I love you. 285. All right, now we have to see if we hold some higher support levels off this candle. That's the first initial candle here we break out. We're pretty much hoping these next candles are above 282. How are futures? How's the overall market? There we go. There's the update. Fairly red. Fairly mixed, actually. Williams back. Cramer's trying to take me out. Messing with your internet or what? SOS is a trick by China. Yeah, this is why I want to bring people on from Discord because someone did some very good, very convincing due diligence on SOS and why it's a fraud company. Uh, Dante says SOS is a fraudulent company. Yeah, I don't. Their crypto side of it is a little sketchy, a little sus. So that's why I want to bring people on from Discord, so you guys could have some spotlight on your thoughts and opinions and due diligence on these companies, and let everybody know what what you guys think. 283 still, that's what I'm talking about. These candles here have to hold above 282 for a confirmed reversal on GameStop. AMC is still dangling here at 1130s. Slow stepper. SOS is mooning. Yeah, but it's like shooting up. Look at this. It's too dangerous. I'm a little, I don't know. I don't feel comfortable touching this. Yeah, it's still a money making opportunity if you learn how to day trade it perfectly and you execute. But as for an investment, I don't know. Oh, we got mixed opinions. Derek says I found DD saying SOS isn't a scam. AMC steppers. Yeah, it's a slow stepper. Slow stepper. It's still moving upward, though. We still have the momentum in that uptrend here. Let's draw this out really quick. Let's update you guys on this technical analysis. This trend line, beautiful. Now we have some slight resistance here at 1140. Obviously, the next level of resistance for AMC is a $0.50 here at 1150. If you're not an SOS, don't mess with it. Let it go. Yeah, I'm not gonna touch SOS. Just like I did not touch RKT. I didn't feel comfortable. Did not. You guys are funny. That's the thing, Jay. It's not a scam. It's a real company running a scam. The scam part comes in with the crypto side of the company. So it's a legit company. It's just the crypto side of it is what seems to be fraudulent. Eric says, are we going to see a similar move like on Wednesdays? They are slowly letting it get up, same as Wednesday. What are your thoughts? So you expect it to fall midday, right? So that midday short attack, that midday drop is something we've been expecting from GameStop and AMC over the last couple of weeks. But I mean, it's Friday. AMC is green. GameStop is still green. We're slowly still hanging in here at 280s. So this is exactly the same pattern we had before here a couple of weeks ago, before we had that crazy push here. So that's a very hard question. I don't know. I truly don't know if they drop this here at midday. It's just unexpected. You won't expect it till you see it. Till it comes and you're like, oh my God, this is it. It's happening again, and it gets halted and people panic. So it's a very hard question. I can't predict the future. But if AMC does pull back to like 11, I'd consider that a healthy pullback. You'd know when it's really like getting manipulated, like we did on Wednesday. Wednesday was blatantly obvious. So I hope I try to answer your question. All right, let's see. All right, so this is what we want to see here on GameStop. This is exactly what we want to see. These candles here holding support at 282. That's a pretty good sign to hold some support. Oh, but it looks like it's still struggling, guys. GameStop is still struggling to find some support at 282. Now we just need to wait. Well, if it does pull back here, the thing you don't want to see is a double bottom. You don't want to see a double bottom right around 270s anymore. You still want to keep on holding higher lows, exactly what AMC is doing here. That's what we want to see. What are your long plays besides AMC and GME? I have like a couple shares of Walmart. I forgot I even had. The stock's pretty much not doing anything. I had a reversal on the 4 hour. Oh, GE guys. GE was another stock I wanted to talk about. Another potential dead cat bounce. But look at this. Walmart slowly have the reversal. We'll give it to it. We'll be patient. GE, if you guys saw this yesterday, took a big plummet. I might have missed that reversal here. Let's give this some time. I want to send my alerts on GE. Let's see if it pulls back. This was another one. I think Home Depot was another stock that pulled back on the 4 hour, completely rejected and obliterated. Now it's bouncing. Look, this is what you want to play here, that bounce. So that's a similar play we're waiting for on Walmart. So Tesla is another one of my favorite day trading stonks. But as of now, I think it's slowly moving up. Yeah, I missed the boat on this one. Did not come down under. Yeah, I'm not a financial advisor. You promised to wear that spacesuit when you go to AMC next time and make a video. That would be so funny to watch. Would that be epic, guys? Once AMC opens up here in LA next Friday, take this spacesuit. Yeah, it's not Tesla, it's Tesla. Tesla. Alrighty, there's AMC. We were talking about the healthy pullback. There's that trend line. Is it going to hold above 1108 or is it going to come down to the whole number at $11? Guess who's calling, baby? It's not the money that's calling, it's Jim Cramer. Oh, he's calling me, man. Cramer, leave us alone. Boeing is killing me. Yeah, Boeing is one of the most choppiest stocks I've ever seen in my life. Look at Boeing's pattern. Look at this. Days it rallies like this, but look at other days. Watch, let me pull back on the 1 hour. I think you can see it. The choppiness on these swings are insane. It gaps up, it pulls back the next day. Look at the 4 hour. Take a look at this. This is such a choppy pattern going on here. This is insane. This was a play I tried a double bottom. This was a play I was gonna buy. Where is it at? There's a double bottom going on right here. When was this? September? I was expecting it to crack under 145 and it did not crack under 145. Kramer's looking for stock advice. All right, looks like AMC pulled back under 1108. Still trying to catch itself here at 11. GameStop 282. We're still in the game here, holding that support level at 280s. I love this price action going on with GameStop. We are still green on the day, guys. Patience. Guys, have you guys seen that video on Cramer about the manipulation of the hedge funds? I think we should play it one more time for those of you that have not seen that. Should we? Should we bring up our good old friend, Jim Cramer? Let me know, for those of you who have not seen that video. I'll be surprised if you have not seen that video. I showed it a couple times. Jim Cramer manipulation. Alrighty, GameStop is back here at 284. Play it, go for it. All right. Um, you have not seen it. All right, let's play it one more time. There's two of them, so he exposed himself twice. Okay, here it goes. In the meantime, we're gonna wait for AMC to hold above 11 and GameStop to try to hold at 282. You have not seen it? You guys haven't seen it? Oh my gosh. Take a look at this, guys. All right, since AMC is pretty much here trying to hold 11, GameStop is kind of volatile here at 284. We got some time, so we're gonna play the video. Here we go. We're gonna play it right here. Right here's fine, right? Can you guys see? Perfect. Right there. All right, here we go. Oh, shut up. I'm gonna use the bathroom while I leave this plane.
And then you end up in the analyst division. And in the analyst division, they pay you to learn how to analyze securities. Now, I went into sales and trading, but I spent my time, I was part of my group. You know, we had different groups. There was a guy in my group who
You guys can hear, right?
three people. One guy was the schmoozer, so to speak. He brought in new clients. One guy was the executor, and I was the research guy. So I spent all my time down there and in research. And what I would tell you is that the classic training is what the Steve Cohens of the world with the great hedge funds want. They don't want gut, and they don't want you to say, listen, I've come up with a new way to think. They want to have that background. So that's where I go.
Well, let me ask you this, though. Let's say you didn't go to one of the top colleges or you didn't have 1,500 on your SATs. You can't get the job at Goldman or Morgan or CSFB. So what do you do? What do you do
then
then?
I think you have to go the other route, and you have to go to a hedge fund, and you say, okay, look, let me get you coffee. Let me get you on a trading desk. Now, I mean, that route is by, and I'm not supposed to talk about it because she hates it, but my wife, Karen, and again, I give the caveat that, oh, God, she hates I talk about this, but, you know, she caught on from trading desk from a clerical position because she didn't have that background. That's a longer way. It's a hard knocks way. If you have great conviction, it can happen, but you have to go in with the attitude that, look, I am really smart. I am perfectly willing to give you 2 years of my life in just a low-level job to let me, at the moment, and this is the example of the guy who's the understudy in Broadway or equivalent of the guy who's the number 3 depth chart in football. It's like the first guy gets hurt, the second guy gets hurt, suddenly you're on the desk. More of happenstance than I like. And then one other way is if you go to a college, and it's good college. I mean, any college. If you can go to the alumni network of, you know, maybe someone, like one of the things that I you know, there was a school that I've recruited out of many times, which is Monmouth. I recruited out there because the guy who ran the department at Goldman was from Monmouth. And he was great, obviously. I mean, these places, you go to great school. People go to different schools, and you go to Monmouth, and you go into you write the guys who are the powerful alums, and they'll give you interviews. So I mean, there's a lot of ways to skin the cat. Obviously, the most direct way is to catch on at one of the big firms.
Now, let's say you're at one of these banks, and now you don't necessarily want to work at one of the big hedge funds now. Would you start a hedge fund?
Well, I was just talking with someone who's in an analogous position. He happened to have worked as a research analyst for one of the best hedge funds, and he's now decided he wants to go off on his own. I started with I had $200,000 in the bank, and I didn't get paid my first year, so I ended up with $100,000. I had to borrow $10,000 from my dad just to make my ends meet. But you know what? I had $5 million under management, and then I turned that into 10, and then I turned that into 50, and then 100 in 2 years. And I would emphasize that if you have any money in the bank, go do it yourself, and go build that record. And if you do it, and you're confident, you will get money.
Well, let's think about that for a second. Let's say you're going from 5 to 10 to 50 to 100, and there's a lot of other guys. There's 9,000 hedge funds out there right now. What percentage of your time do you think you're going to spend marketing as opposed to research and trading?
Well, I think that the answer is 50-50. And if you're not a marketer, one of the reasons that I liked the classic training I had at Goldman was also sales training. So I was able to recognize sales training is really a matter of not getting down on yourself when you don't get the money. But I would tell you that if you go in with the approach that it's 50-50 and you're able to spend more time doing stocks, that's great. But James, let's back up for a second. It's really, everybody thinks it's for everybody, and they see the money being made, and it's really sensational. I mean, I could go back to it, and I could make a lot of money. But I had a unique skill set in that I didn't sleep a lot, and I really was curious about the market, and had really good discipline and good training. Most people, it's not right for them. Now, there's also a whole cohort of people who basically are faking it. They're going and raising money, and they're saying, listen, I can generate a little above average return. I mean, you go into hedge fund to make it rich. And a lot of people are going to get blown out. I left Goldman at the same time as 4 other guys, okay? And 3 of them were back at Goldman within the next year. And I was out there on my own. But I was out there on my own because I didn't want to work for anybody and because I had unique stock picking talents. Now, it's very interesting, by the way. I get a lot of criticism in email and stuff from people saying, you don't know what you're talking about. And sometimes, I usually just say thank you. There was another period where I would pick fights, and I would say, listen, you have no idea what you're talking about. I mean, 1987, I was in cash for the crowd, really good. You're either good or not is what I'm saying. And, that's okay. The hedge fund world is the NBA. And there's a lot of people who want to be in the NBA, and not everybody gets in the NBA, Major League Baseball, and that's okay. But you certainly want to take a run at it. You certainly want to try to be in the NBA.
Well, what's interesting also, I think it's not just stock picking, but also how do you deal with that stress of first losing somebody else's money?
I was down 9.9% after the first month. I had a 10% provision, which is I had to give you the money back down 10. I'm down 9.9. I was down 9, and it took me 9/10 to liquidate. And I just sat there and I said, okay, now I got to wait for my pitch. Because I'm teetering. I waited. Finally, I got the call that Data Gem was doing better than expected, and I got in at 20.
Guys, I don't think this is the one because there's 2 interviews, right? There's another one where he says, "Is this the one where he says that your job is not to say anything remotely truthful?" Did he say that? Because there's 2 of them. I think I played the wrong one. Okay, I played the wrong one.
Right. That it's important to create new truth.
I played the wrong one, guys. This one's disgusting. That isn't it. Yeah. All right. Sorry about that. This is the one. This is the way right here. This is the one. I'm sorry about that. Bismo, thank you so much, Latono. I bought GameStop, 20,000 shares at $37 and up over now 5 million. Should I hold till squeeze maybe over 500? I'm not a financial advisor. I couldn't answer that for you, but congrats on your gains. I don't know. It's a crazy position. But thank you so much for supporting the community. I don't know your risk tolerance, man. I don't know. But thank you so much. I wish I could answer you. I'm not a financial advisor, but here's someone who it is.
Commit $5 million in capital to do it, and I could affect it. What you're seeing now is it probably is bigger market now. Maybe you need $10 million in capital to knock this stuff down, but it's a fun game and it's a lucrative game, and you can move it up and then fade it. That's what often creates a very negative feel. So let's say you take a longer term view intraday, and you say, listen, I'm going to boost the futures, and then when the real sellers come in, real market comes in, they're going to knock it down. And it's going to create a negative view. That's a strategy very worth doing when you're valued on a day-to-day basis. And I would encourage anyone who's in the hedge fund game to do it because it's legal, right? And it is a very quick way to make money and very satisfying. Okay. But by the way, no one else in the world would ever admit that, but I can care.
That's right, and you can say that here.
I'm not going to say it on TV.
Well, on a related note, there's so many more hedge funds today than when you were managing your hedge fund. Do you think that does that exacerbate the moves, or does it make it tougher?
Well, the hedge funds are positioned long short, okay, not just long like mutual funds. So it's really vital these next 6 days because of your payday. You've really got to control the market. You can't let it lift. When you get a research in motion, it's really important to use a lot of your firepower to knock that down because it's the fulcrum of the market today. So let's say I were short. What I would do is I would hit a lot of guys with RIM. Now you can't foment. That's a violation of
foment.
Yeah, you can't foment. You can't create yourself an impression that a stock's down. But you do it anyway because the SEC doesn't understand it. So that's the only sense that I would say this is illegal. But a hedge fund that's not up a lot really has to do a lot now to save itself. So this is different from what I was talking about at the beginning where I would be buying the Qs and stuff. This is actually just blatantly illegal. But when you have 6 days and your company may be in doubt because you're down, I think it's really important to foment, if I were one of these guys, foment an impression that research in motion isn't any good because research in motion is the key today. So, you would hit this guy and that guy. When you would see an offering, when you see a guy who's bidding, you'd wipe out that guy very quickly. What I used to do was called, if I wanted to go higher, I would take and bid. And if I wanted to go lower, I'd hit an offer. And I could get a stock like RIM for maybe, that might cost me 15, 20 million, Annie, to knock RIM down. But it would be fabulous because it would beleaguer all the moron longs who are also keying on research in motion. So we're seeing that. That's, again, when your company's in a survival mode, it's really important to defeat research in motion and get the Pisanis of the world and the people talking about it as if there's something wrong with RIM. Then you would call the journal and you get the bozo report on research in motion and you would feed that there's a Palm's got a killer it's going to give away. These are all the things you must do on a day like today. And if you're not doing it, maybe you shouldn't be in the game.
Okay. Another stock that a lot of people are focused on right now seems to be Apple.
Yeah, Apple's very important to spread the rumor that that both Verizon and AT&T have decided they don't like the phone. It's a very easy one to do because it's also you want to spread the rumor that it's not going to be ready for Macworld. And this is very easy because the people who write about Apple want that story. And you can claim that it's credible because you spoke to someone at Apple because Apple isn't and it doesn't.
They're not going to comment. They're not going to say.
So it's really an ideal short. And I would, again, if I were short Apple, I would be working very hard today to get that. And the way you would do that is you pick up the phone, you call 6 trading desks, and you say, listen, I just got off the phone with my contact at Verizon. And he has already said, listen, we're a Lucky G house. We're a Samsung house. We're a Motorola house. There's no room for Apple. They want too much. We're not going to let them in. We're not going to let them do what they did to music. And I think that's a very effective way to keep a stock down. I might also, by the way, because the stock at 84, 85, a little bit of capital, you go buy some January 80 puts that makes it look like there's going to be something going on. So maybe you give Morgan an order to buy 1,000 Jan 80 puts, and you go position limit with you use a firm that doesn't know what that can do. Maybe you go to UBS for puts, and you just kind of create an image that there's going to be news next week, and that's going to frighten everybody. Then they all go out and say large put buyer at UBS. And then they call Pisani again. You have to use those guys and say, listen, I'm about
Are you guys listening to this guy? Oh.
See a big buyer puts and I'm told that it's SAC. You would do that too. And these are all what's really going on under the market that you don't see.
Nobody else talks about it.
But what's important when you're in that hedge fund mode is to not do anything remotely truthful. Because the truth is so against your view that it's important to create a new truth to develop a fiction. And the fiction is developed by almost anybody who's down like 2% to up 6% here. You can't take any chances. You can't have the market up any more than it is if you're up 6. Because starting Jan 2, you'll have all your money come out. So what would you do if you're in that situation and you feel like you're desperate? Is that you would do these actions.
So you're talking about the mechanics of the market.
Well, the mechanics are much more important than the fundamentals.
Oh, okay, well, but in terms of the fundamentals, you've been writing about how you
Who cares about the fundamentals? Research in motion just blew out the quarter. But look what people can do. I mean, that's a fabulous thing. The great thing about the market is it has nothing to do with the actual stocks. Now, look, over maybe 2 weeks from now, the buyers will come to their senses and realize that everything that they heard was a lie. But then again, Fannie Mae lied about their earnings for $6 billion. So it's just fiction and fiction and fiction. And I think it's important for people to recognize that the way that the market really works is to have that nexus of hit the brokerage houses with a series of orders that can push it down, then leak it to the press. And then get it on CNBC. That's also very important. And then you have a kind of a vicious cycle down. And it's a pretty good game. And it can be played. You can pay for a percent or two.
And then do you get long before Macworld and the expectation that the iPhone is going to be good? And then you go back to the long side.
You got to use the other side.
Interesting.
Yeah, and there's a case where I would say the January 80 put can be justified because after I've knocked the stock down to 80, I can buy a lot of common. And then you play it right into Macworld where they'll probably introduce the phone and Verizon's going to take it.
Okay. Well, maybe the fundamentals don't matter, but let's talk about the Fed.
Remember, what Wall Street Confidential is not giving you the party line. Oh, here's the party line, by the way. I spoke to Apple on the phone. I hear the phones are good, and Verizon might take it. And as a matter of fact, the research in motion sellers, I don't think they know what they're talking about.
But you've been writing about the cell phone market. You think you don't want to be involved in that.
The problem with the cell phone market, frankly, is that these guys are all killing each other. Someone has to take a dive. Motorola and Nokia have to get in a room and just fix price. They've been reluctant to do that because of the various justice departments and because
it's illegal, right? Yeah.
Whoa. That hasn't stopped a lot of other companies. This seems to be a case where they seem to be directly worried about the authorities. It's almost as if they have a lawyer that matters, unlike, say, the Bristol Myers lawyers. And what eventually happens is the shareholders demand that you get phony lawyers and you sit in the room. And it'll happen soon.
real quick, the Fed, the numbers out today weaker than expected.
Oh, so what? The Fed has obviously got to cut. But again, you call the various guys who cover the bonds and you say, ignore the bond action. What's really happening is the Fed is very frightened about, and then you gin up the number that they're really frightened about. The Fed is actually desperate to try to figure out, how quickly they have to cut without looking like dopes that they raised.
Right, because they've been talking about they're worried about inflation all this last few months.
You don't want to raise in May and then cut in January. You look like Mexico, for heaven's sake. I mean, this is like a distinguished group of people who went to really good schools.
Right, these are smart guys. Absolutely.
Yeah, they don't want to look like dopes.
But when we were talking earlier in the week, you said you think it would be some sort of crisis, possibly Ford being a trigger.
Well, Ford went and did all that, they pledged all this investment banking to all these guys. So now that they're very reluctant to say negative things, it makes it much tougher for the Ford story to play out. I mean, the amount of business that Ford has to do. Ford might be the big client of 2007. So if I were in the corporate finance room, I would say, listen to the research guy. I said, listen, I spoke with Mullally. I actually have the inside. The plan works. So then you're the research guy and you say, oh, man, what do I do? It's bonus time. I'm not going to be a total idiot. Spitzer's going to Albany. Let's get back in the game.
Right.
I think that's important.
Is it possible? Because a year ago at this time, a lot of people were saying GM's about to go bankrupt, and of course the stock's up 50-some-odd%.
Well,
Could Ford be that stock?
They're GM. No, but GM. The difference between Ford and GM was that GM's balance sheet was never really. It turned out wasn't that bad. Ford's balance sheet's pathetic, and you know that because they were willing to screw over the common for the bonds.
Right.
That's kind of if it weren't Ford, if this were Qualcomm. We'd be saying Qualcomm is desperate, But no, it's Ford.
But it's Ford. It's an American icon.
Yeah, I drove
a
Ford. I owned a Ford once.
And this is our country. Well, this has been Jim Cramer for Wall Street
Again,
Confidential.
what I'm trying to go for in the Wall Street Confidential, and I'm not saying you're sending me. I have to talk about what it's like at my hedge fund, okay? And what other hedge funds do, because the difference is that if this is an intraday show, and you need to know what I know is going on. Now, we step back. Research in Motion was a real blowout quarter. It was a really good quarter, and I was quite surprised how strong the margins were. It looks like the other guys have really dropped out. It's a terrific story. Should it be up 6? Yeah, I think so. But, look where we are. It's Friday. You got 5 more days to make your quarter.
Right.
Can you really risk having RIM up this much? I don't think you can.
Okay, and they're not. And if I'm correct, you're off next week.
Yes, I am.
Okay, and I am as well. Right. So we'll be back in 2007.
I'm hoping that we finish the year.
Wow. Yeah, the first time I saw this, I was mind blown. Like the 5th time I seen it, but this was back in 2007 or 8. Let's take a look at the comments. Let's see what people are saying. Probably some GameStop comments. Nope. I love the line, who cares about the fundamentals? And today with GameStop, CNBC, all they say is, but what about the fundamentals? So now it matters? The SEC watching this. Better download a copy of this before they take it down. This is the link here. Let's copy and paste this really quick. 2006. I don't know if this guy was, if Cramer knew he was being recorded. Such an odd interview for him to just come out like that. Let's see. Did Cramer block me on Twitter? I'll put this bro. Yeah, thanks for sharing. I appreciate that. Thank you. Thank you for watching. I'm kind of shocked a lot of people haven't seen that video. It was shared aggressively like last month. YouTube was barely a thing. Yeah. YouTube came out in what, like 2002, 2003? Space 2 coming tomorrow? Let's share this video on Twitter. Let's see if Cramer's gonna block me. Cramer has not blocked me, surprisingly. I'm gonna post a link here. That's insane. All right, so AMC is still here at 1092. Let's hold above 11, headed into power hour. GameStop is still back at the 282 support. Let's see what kind of levels we hang on in there, headed into this odd, choppy time of day. Yeah, I'm for sure gonna get blocked by Cramer today. Today's the day we get that badge of honor, and Cramer blocks us. No, we're just bouncing. We're just bouncing right now. Patience. He's gonna make a my apology video. I don't think so. Alrighty, guys, we got 20 minutes left. So let's see. We still have this uptrend here. Let's hold above the SMA. The yellow line on both of the charts is the SMA simple moving average, which is 278 on GameStop. And I can't really see because my camera's blocking it on AMC. So this yellow line here. Let's hold those trend lines headed into power hour. Power hour today is going to be really insane. So you guys don't want to miss that. Make sure you guys subscribe. I'm really surprised YouTube did not delete this. Yeah, so if someone can download that video before it gets taken down, I wouldn't be surprised if it gets taken down. I don't think a lot of people have seen that video. I'm surprised. So if someone can download it, that'll be amazing. I don't think Kramer ever even responded to that. He's probably just acting like it did not exist. Tesla is not 500 Darth Trader. You cannot fool me this time. You got me earlier, but you did not get me this time. All right, AMC back at 1097. Like I said, if we can hold this yellow line, preferably above 11 into power hour, that's a huge dub for us. We have a big power hour coming today. I can feel it. It's Friday. Fridays are usually insane for power hour. I think it's already been shared on Wall Street Bets. It's been everywhere. I'm surprised you guys haven't seen it. Tesla's moving. You guys got me. Oh, it is shooting up. Damn it. You feel like we need a chair pump? I love the channel. I appreciate you. It's Mash 8. Welcome to the community. There's a Weeble paper trading competition. We should be in that. I feel like we have some edge in that. The Weeble trading competition. What's the requirement, or how much do you get for the paper trading? How much do you start with? Is it something ridiculous like 10 million, or what do you, how much paper capital do you start with on that? I'm really interested in that actually. Yeah, he won't have a chance to take it off. It's been shared. I'm pretty sure people downloaded it. Yeah, go all in on GME. You win that competition like this. You get 1 million to play with. That's a lot. It should be something like 20K, possibly maybe. 1 million. You just got a YOLO on one plane. You could possibly win like that. Paper trading starts at, oh, someone else at 10K. I don't think you do get 1 million. Yeah, that's not reasonable. 1 million. It should be like 20K, maybe even 10K. You start the comp with 10K. Oh wow. Okay, let's see. Weeble. I think I have a strategy for that. But then again, it's Weeble. I can't day trade on there. I'm not used to it. Yeah, the 10K report for AMC's out. It's been out actually, right? Alrighty, GameStop is slowly still holding that trend line. Let's go. Let's go. 283. Let's push to 286. And what's the price for that? What's the price for the Weeble? Or is it like first place, second place, third place? Or what? Yeah, paper trading, you could take massive risks you wouldn't normally. That's the thing. All it takes, like I said, all it takes is one YOLO play to go right in your favor and you could win. Our Amazon gift cards? Why Amazon? Show me them Netflix or stupid. Show me them Amazon gift cards. Those GameStop gift cards. Aaron, thank you for the dono. I truly appreciate that. I'm gonna thank you. Thank you in the chat to all the donations, guys. You guys are supporting the channel. Guys, this is coming back to you guys via gift cards. Did Melvin CEO really do something? I don't think so. Can you start videos in Discord? I'm not too sure. Unless you screen record. It must be diverse portfolio. Ah. That's not good. All right, we have a failed breakout here again on GameStop. Again, at this time of day, guys, it usually starts to get a little choppy, so don't be surprised. Let's at least try to hold the 280s. Right around here, 281. AMC still at 10.99. How's the $11 mark looking like on the level 2? Who else thinks Rob should keep 90% of all donations so we can keep him here at his new career? That's an interesting point, Michael. Yeah, because right now I gotta go at 9. I gotta go. Unless I have other people run other businesses, do other things, outsource the work, but that'll take some time, take some trust. Like I do love live streaming, and it's going pretty well. So I think you should be full-time, Ralph. Adrian says. Yeah, guys, we got the gift card giveaway coming power hour. Tramicia, right? I'm sorry I mispronounced your name. Tramicia. Spent another 1,700 polishing my diamond hands with AMC stock. Let's go, baby. Thank you so much for the dono, guys. Thank you in the chat. Thank you for supporting the community. You guys don't have to donate. Just drop a like. That's all we ask for. You can screen record, yeah. You can screen record that interview. Like I said, I don't think Cramer knows he was live on TV, or I don't know why he just came out like that. Very weird. It's like he wanted everybody to know. It's like, hey man, we have the power, we're in control. Game broken down. Yeah, GameStop pulled back. We're headed into that odd territory, but when in doubt, zoom out. We still have the uptrend here on the 5-minute. Beautiful, beautiful uptrend. Again, TB12, Tom Brady, power hour is going to be pretty epic. We can't use Weeble in the UK. Morning, Cowboy. Good morning. You should start a YOLO hedge fund on donations. That's actually what I was thinking as well. Just use donations and YOLO options on GameStop or AMC, like some crazy calls. Yeah, when in doubt, zoom out. Look at the bigger picture. So one of you apes, was it Jen? Send me a package, and on Twitter, Jen said the package is lost. Cramer has your package bouncing all around Cali. Why did it arrive and leave Orlando twice? I paid for second day air, so it would be delivered yesterday. Cramer gonna reimburse me. Take a look at this. It went from From what? Orlando twice, right? Look, arrived facility, departed. Arrived back at Orlando and departed again. And it's here in Cali. You guys are crazy. Look, this was the first ever package we ever got here. I truly appreciate you. Oh, Jen's right here in the chat. Says, what time did UPS come to shop? I'm actually headed to the shop right now. I'm headed to the shop right now. That's why I gotta leave at 9. I gotta end the stream in 11 minutes. So I gotta go from there, and then I usually try to get a workout in. I have other clients hitting me up for exotic car rentals. That's also something to do on the side, guys. So I'm all over the place. But let me get that package really quick. Yeah, it was to the moon package. So this was the first package I ever got. Look at this. Look what Phil put. Can you guys see that? It says to the moon. I blurred out his address, obviously. It says to the moon. What a legend. And he sent us this. How badass is this, guys? Can you guys see that? This is a piece of history right here. GameStop hat. And he had a note. He has a note. He says, thank you for all your hard work. Ape subscriber, Phil Shifley. This was the day GameStop rallied. This was the good luck right here. I appreciate you guys so much. Yeah. I'm actually trying to get that, actually. I actually had somebody try to make me a coffee mug that has the AMC and GameStop logo. So that might also come. That might be here in Power Hour, guys. Power Hour usually really lit. So let's see what we got going on. Yeah, I'll be at the shop right now, see if we got any packages there. But for now, guys, AMC still at 1095. GameStop is at 278. Michael Riley, I appreciate the dono. I did not see that until now. I appreciate the dono. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. What cars do you rent out? Exotic and luxury. Lambos, Ferraris, Rolls Royces. We used to do like, I guess you can say lower end cars, but it's just much more work and the profit margins are way greater on like Lambos and Ferraris, and it's less work. Right? It's a lot of liability. What's the shop? Auto body shop. Um, GameStop, what are you doing? Let's remove this trend line here really quick. Can't remove this. All right, so it seems like every time we end the stream at this time of day, GameStop does the same thing. So if that's the case, GameStop is probably going to drop to like 270. Don't be surprised. I'm going to set my alert just so when I'm driving, I could get like a little heart attack. So it might come, it does this. It comes down and then it reverses into power hour. So that's, like, see, it's pulling back. That pattern has been very repetitive on GameStop. So for AMC, we're still hanging in there on the higher lows at 1095. Not too worried. Again, we're headed to the choppy part of the day. You own the shop? No, I don't own the shop. Ralph, show that video. What video? Yeah, they had a Lotus shop here, Daryl. They had a Lotus shop here in West Covina, and they took it down. They took down the Lotus shop. Cramer be watching. I'm really interested on General Electric. What is GE doing? This was probably going to be one of my good bounce plays coming, so let's wait. Alrighty, we're still pulling back on GameStop. Not surprised. I hate midday. Yeah, midday's pretty boring sometimes. Of course, on Wednesday, midday was insane. We kept on rallying, we kept on pushing up 40%, but we got manipulated. Did you see the short squeeze date was leaked? What date is it? I don't like putting dates on a squeeze. No one really knows when a squeeze is coming. Nobody knows when a squeeze is coming. Oh, it's coming today, right? I appreciate you, Jen. There is a package. I appreciate. I'm excited to open that. Hopefully it comes before power hour so we can open it live. Check your DMs on Twitter. All right, David. It's a Reddit post. Let's see. All right, someone brought it up. As most of y'all know by now, data portals are showing very different data from Finto and iBorrowDesk. Absolutely, I agree. Um, they're watching us here is more proof that they are. They know Finto and iBorrowDesk are the two sources we use. Absolutely, everybody uses Finto and iBorrowDesk. That makes sense. The biggest red flag. The biggest red flag is the borrow fee decrease and the short shares available increase, which will indicate them covering, but nothing has happened. I agree. Something wasn't adding up. Simple math. It's a long post. Let me see. They watch us. That's what I agree. That's probably one of the most important points here in this article, guys, in this Reddit post, is they're watching us. Don't you think, guys, these hedgies would make accounts to hop in Reddit and Wall Street Bets, see what we're talking about, see what we're thinking like, trying to stay one step ahead of us. They know Finto and iBorrowDesk are the two sources we use. I completely agree. That's what I go off of as well. They just don't think us smart enough to seek out other sources. They assume that if they manipulated the number on the two sides, they know we would use that. They would know we use that. We would just accept what we saw in Finto and iBorrowDesk go away. Yeah, we are way smarter than that. We know something wasn't adding up and it just doesn't make sense. They know we were dumb to go look. It doesn't add up. It doesn't make sense, which honestly isn't a result of being dumb. It's a result of being lazy, lol. It takes nothing to find data from other sources. So they really thought we were lazy. We wouldn't just go look at other data and many different other sources out there, lol. That's what happens when they continue to underestimate us and call us dumb investors. I love it, honestly, because it allows us to keep catching them with their pants down. Peace. I completely agree. And that's what I think what my video was going to cover tonight. Obviously, I have a video coming out every day, and I think this was the main thing I was going to stress. Vento, man, I don't. They're making it seem like the squeeze it's over. They're making it seem like it's done. With the fee dropping like that and the short shares jumping to like 6 million, what was it at? Let's update. It was at 6.4 million. It went down as of 9 minutes ago. It's now back down to 5.4. They're making it seem like it's over, like it's done for. Like, put yourself in these hedges' shoes. I would obviously be going on Wall Street Bets 100% without a doubt. Guys, these hedge funds are humans. They're just like you and me, man. They have emotions. They make mistakes. They experience FOMO. They clench their cheeks when the stock is going up or down. Absolutely. Thank you so much, David, right? David, for sharing this Wall Street Bets post with me. Yeah, Reddit kids. They call us kids. Fox News called us kids. Michael Riley, thank you so much for the dono. Can we get a thank you? Thank you for supporting the community, guys. We have that free gift card giveaway, daily gift card giveaway coming. Power Hour. Power Hour streams are pretty lit, so you guys don't want to miss. First time here at Hooked on Ralph. Welcome, Nello, to the community. Welcome, welcome. So, Finto is rigged. Yeah, it's getting a little sus there on Finto. What's up, Michael? What's up? What's up? First timer, welcome to the community, man. They're all rigged. Yeah, they're either I don't know what happened. They must have gotten paid or something. Fintel. Kind of disappointed. We paid for their subscription. Ralph, watching the video on Cramer was very interesting, very entertaining. Yeah, I'm gonna get blocked by Cramer. Watch any second now. He's gonna block me. Watch. I tweeted that video at him. GME, I bought a slingshot. So right now we're still struggling to find some support. Again, we're at that odd time of day. Very choppy pattern today on Gamestop after hitting 295, nearly almost 300. It double bottomed here, almost even triple bottomed at 273. So I'd like to say 273 is a pretty decent support level. Have you ever thought of adding some light background music? Is that something you guys want? Some light background music? Of course, I don't want to get copyrighted, so we'd have to make sure it's not copyrighted music, or else we get a strike on the channel. Hey man, you here? What's Power Hour? Welcome first and foremost, Doc. Power Hour is the last hour of the trading day. Very last hour, 12 to 1 p.m. here, 3 to 4 p.m. in the Eastern time. So that's the Power Hour. That's when usually lunchtime's over and the volume comes back in, especially on a Friday. No music? Alrighty. What does it cost a day to rent a Lambo SUV, aka the Lamborghini Urus? That would probably run around like $1,400 a day. 14, maybe even $1,300 a day. Keep in mind you get limited mileage on there as well with the 2,000 deposit. So these cars aren't cheap to maintain. Ragnar with the backflips, man. Um, yeah, Hertz obviously a competitor to us. Actually, no. Hertz is not a competitor. Hertz doesn't really have the exotic side of it. That's why you gotta niche down. You gotta exotics. They have like simple cars, everyday economy cars, Mustangs, Hondas, Toyotas. But it's crazy. Their stock really impressed me when they went bankrupt and it shot up. So that's why the market doesn't make sense. How does insurance work with Rex and things? You have to have provide your own insurance. Obviously, I always call the insurance. I'm on the phone. Hey, so and so, one of your clients is trying to rent a car for me. Can you verify insurance? Make sure they have coverage. So it's a very long process. Or else we're screwed. If they crash and they just leave the car, guys, this business. I have like a million stories I could tell you, but it's so insane. It's so insane. So much liability. I've seen clients steal cars. I've seen everything, man. I'll tell you one right now. Yeah. So this one guy, right? These guys, it was this lady and this other two guys. They rented a Mercedes C300. It was a silver, nice Mercedes C300, right? They rented it for 7 days. All right, here we go. 7 days are up. We're calling up the client to pick up the car. It was there in Shadow Oak. I remember, and then they weren't answering. They were not answering the phone, and we're like, hey, we need our car back, right? So we track the cars. We have trackers on the cars, obviously, protect ourselves. So we know where that car was. We pulled up to the house it was pulled up at. We pull up, right? I see the Mercedes. I'm like, oh, look, there's the car. So I go up, right? I knock. I'm like, hey, I'm Ralph from Global Lifestyle. We're here to pick up the Mercedes that you guys rented. And the guy's confused. He looks at me like, what's going on, man? Like, what do you mean? He's like, I just bought that car a couple days ago. And in my head, I'm like, oh no. He's like, yeah, I paid 20,000 cash for the car a couple days ago. And in my head, I already knew what happened. He's like, yeah, I bought it off OfferUp, and they gave me that pink slip, which was fake. These guys, these scammers, printed a fake pink slip, a fake title, fake everything. They stole his 20K cash. The guy was stressing. The police showed up. Obviously, they took the car away. Registered owner had to get it, and the guy just got scammed out of 20K. So it's a very crazy business. People use fake licenses. They stole a Rolls Royce. Like, it's crazy. It's crazy. Like there's a ring of people that stole like 30 cars in LA, and we were a victim of one of them. The guy used a fake ID. He literally used the fake address, fake name. Like it's so insane. Um, the alert just came on that I just went live 2 minutes ago. Yeah, YouTube is really weird. What do you think about Royalty Exotics, a rental car from Las Vegas? Those guys are killing it, man. Those guys, especially on YouTube, they're making amazing content. That's one of the things I try to strive for as well for content with exotic business. They're really killing it. These guys have Bugattis. They're insane. They're killing it. Yeah, I don't know. Why would you buy a car off OfferUp? If it's something sounds too good to be true, it might sometimes always be not true. So yeah, he got scammed. But are you going to rent out a Tesla Cybertruck? Maybe. The only thing, guys, about Teslas, we do have a Tesla and we do rent it out. The thing that gets annoying though is you have to charge it. You gotta charge it. So having to run down to the charger stations before it goes out for rental is really time consuming. And in this business, and just in life, time is money, man. Time's the most valuable asset you guys have. So I'm gonna rent a Huracan from them in June. They should be well. They should be really well. They have a really good reputation. But yeah, Huracan, you'll have fun in that. 20K down the drain, yeah. Be very careful, guys. There's a lot of scammers out there, especially nowadays. Times of desperation lead to desperate actions. LA is crazy for car theft. You know what's even worse in LA? Florida. You know what they do in Florida? They rent your cars out, they steal them, and they ship them out. This happened with the Aventador, a Lamborghini Aventador. These guys took it, and we tracked it, right? And it was at a port here in Long Beach. And I got really sketched out. I'm like, yo, there's a shipping dock right there in Long Beach. I'm like, these guys are not answering their phone. They're going to ship the car out. And they found the car in a crate. A $400,000 car, a Lamborghini Aventador in a crate. They were about to ship the car out. They do that a lot in Florida. Florida's way crazier of a market than LA is, but it is what it is. Guys, I have to head out now. Send it to Dubai. No, they send it to like Cuba or something like that. I don't know where they send the cars out, but it's a very stressful business. Very stressful. A lot of liability. Install a charger station. That too. Of course, I could hook you guys up when you guys are out here in LA and want a rental. Yeah, I have to go. We'll be back. Obviously, power hour. Power hour is usually a crazy time of day. Get that volume coming. GameStop, we're leaving here at 274. Usually when we end the stream, something really crazy happens on GameStop. So, finding some support here at 274. AMC still holding that uptrend here at 1088. When we come back, hopefully we have that alert going off at 1140. Let's hope above 11. Don't look at Tesla. All right, I'll look at it. Not doing bad. Not doing bad. I'm glad I found you. I'm glad you came here. Thank you so much. Welcome everybody that are new. Make sure to subscribe. Turn on post notifications. I usually don't like to annoy people on the post notifications, but sometimes you guys have trouble getting alerted on the stream. So I don't know why that is. Cramer for sure paid YouTube so we could get shadow banned. Oh, Fintel is getting called out. Okay, Fintel replied on Twitter, we report numbers from a different broker which offers a different rate. It's a bit like mortgage rates. Just like every bank offers a different mortgage rate, fair enough, every broker also offers a different borrow rate. There's no correct borrow rate. That's why I agree. There really isn't a correct number, but it's kind of sus that the short shares available jumped drastically like that and the fee dropped. A little sus, but Fintel did reply. Shout out to Chase for that tweet. I appreciate that. Look at this. The bar rate was at 15%. There's a lot of miscommunication going on. But other than that, I have to get going, guys. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys back. Power Hour. Peace out.